Daddy, you can't go take a walk.
That's why I walk now.
Just whenever you want to go.
In the road. Something I'm not still in about. Yeah, man, come up and I go down on the road.
Ah, come on.
Hey.
Why no, mama?
What's the name here, Ronnie?
Fortunately, I have you.
No. Ronnie come from?
Body place, I'm live.
Which one?
Body place, yeah.
Oh.
There's a thing by yourself.
There, go and look it.
Yeah, look.
No one can get out here?
Yeah, look.
Hey, that's what it is?
Mm-hmm.
50 man.
One for that, I'm
Hello? That's so sweet.
No, you say you look now.
Yeah, go and look at man. Cause them scares.
That look cool, man. Come there, sir.
You can work you do.
No, so I can chuck some one door.
Mm.
I want to find inside.
So you walk foot every day or drive again?
No, we carry a garage now.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh. Mm.
So yes, I go on.
Now you don't look too bad neither.
Yeah, so what is it? Very nice right now, man. No, man, I eat boy.
So you what? Take me up, Pop. A tea, yeah?
Alright.
You must text me later.
For sure, they call it a little more, man.
Don't forget, yeah?
Let me go walk.
Later.
Daddy, can you walk? Daddy. Melody has a look at her.
So what I'm talking with her?
I like the look sad. She looks scary.
But then I mean, I'm kind of lonely, you know. You know, that's my complaint talk to you sometimes to do a year or two. That's what I can go on, man. Don't worry yourself, man. I want to be one nice woman, though.
She looks scary to me.
No, man, you cannot feel that one, man. You don't know how I'm going to book it.
Trish.
What am I looking for now? Where you go?
There's something I want to go to my car now.
Oh,
Yeah, how much?
me 19.
I want to know none of that from.
Me not go to church. Me see her church.
Oh, come here, say. Come here, you know, me look at that.
Oh, me didn't say that. Me not go to church. She's a nice little child.
A nice.
Me like where you grow her.
Grow up good, man. I must say, no matter, you know, me alone.
Yeah, she come to church. So what's her name?
Job when them call me.
Oh, I'm Trish.
Nice to meet you, Trish.
Nice to meet you too. So where you go?
Walk, I take a walk on the street and walk out there, you know.
Oh, there you go downstairs.
Alright, me book up again.
Alright. Later.
Later, Trish.
Tell about this one.
Daddy, I know say she if you married a she me like.
She like I can't choose me, you know.
Me not tell look. Me not like it seriously.
I mean, guys, she feel her face more looks scary than this one. What do you think, myself?
I think Trish more nice.
Actually, you know what trick make you say that?
Because you know.
Because you know what make you say that, man. Pussy never know her. What you say now? That's how you see him too.
No.
You must say young silence, you don't know about life yet, man. Wait till you get old, you understand, you know?
Just so like it feels based on her. She just black on her teeth.
Make one black too.
Sister girl.
Yeah.
Girl, name me, I call him.
No.
Me not get there, but my friend one man, girl.
Yeah, jeez, please don't tell me say I want broke man to go on the road go pick up.
No, a contractor.
Oh.
I've been looking at the money, girl. I want to look at her. So she's not really bad. She's nice and cute and stuff. Yeah. Let him get angry, girl. Let him get angry.
Have your number, get your number.
No, he get my number. He forgot me phone.
Jesus Christ.
I want him to text me. I'm like,
You know, chef my what text no chef my like enough time man take me number
when
and
we go
don't
right
text
up,
me.
I'm bench right, so go sit down and he will pass me again. But him,
Make sure cause we need me take time to get up a man so I eat ramen.
girl, I saw it up, go, you know.
I mean don't give up the table. Me put on my plate yourself, we're not on the table, but as you said, no.
Yeah.
You need the hurry to get the man lock on the man, yeah. No matter make it like you white man, you didn't have any make you white man gone now.
No matter with that, girl, from me give him this, I done it done.
Remember they did the white man.
No, me never queen funny white man.
Queen for the one that we need
I have a
money.
queen.
Cause we broke like a
I have a queen,
dog.
tell me, yeah, me a queen too.
with every party, everybody. Can
Yeah.
you understand you sometimes, you know?
So what you say now? When you
Get the
want to
man.
get the man, I'm like, when the man want to come over, which part you go sleep? When the man want to come over, which part you go sleep?
Over where?
Over here.
Simple 1, 2, 3. And you want 50,000, make you have a bed for the whole night.
No, when you want to come, you go to sleep in the hall, on the ground.
Exactly, you want 50,000, make
You
you
have
have
to
a
go sleep around me and I do the things and forget things, but you have to be right. You're a big man, you're supposed to do what you have to do, but you look, so you're retarded like the man now, are you?
No, you're too unfair, you know. You get too bright and red, you know.
You need to go out there, go try hustle it for yourself too.
Mama, look for my body, look for your body.
Girl, front the price again, you know?
Hello.
Hardly I make money.
Look for your titty them. Look pretty them and look for my titty. You see the difference? You're one them bigger. Look on this and look on yours. You see the difference? You're one bigger. Man love big things, me not have this big.
Man, look,
Okay.
man, girl are weird.
No, no, we're going to wear me have 1,000 when I'm not 1,000,
Anyways,
man.
me go out there, so. Go see if me can sit down back and see me get the next man because me hungry. You never have to one ramen we're there. You couldn't
So
eat half. Eat half and let half.
No, me sorry, me can't have left off me belly. Did you all get them? Say I go look up. Me think you like look work and the work now. And come back later with money.
Hungry me hungry.
You
So
couldn't
here
beg the
one.
man money?
Me can't beg the man so fast.
But me like
Because
beg
a
him fast.
good man, me I look, you know. A life, me I look with the man, you know. To get money too. And I really like sit down and stuff.
Hello, you know if you have
And I have one, how I go do about the data? Because I'm not really too young to step in here right now.
you don't want to step in it?
No.
Simple get rid of the picnic. It's the 1, 2, 3 solution.
But you know if we do that.
Yes. We don't make nothing stop where we are.
The truth.
Mm-hmm.
I take over the man to go for yourself. For myself, not
I
yourself.
make sure
You're not
say,
getting-
Mama, me know your man. No 500. No 500.
What you say? Never go out there, say, yeah?
Uh-huh.
And say they can't make no call and get nothing done because you just sit down yourself so you're not working on nothing, you're young little girl.
Babe, come. I just know call you one could dirty old while ago, you know.
Excuse.
Come on. You know, nothing more you.
Later.
No tell me no later come here come and road to it me for.
Oh boy.
Daddy, you really like it, girl?
I don't put a finger up on date my daughter. But me kinda pray still, you know. Nice and you look nice and stuff.
Well, me not like her. Just to give me one bad feeling for she not one good person.
You can't do like my daughter, you know so.
Me not like her.
What do you like her?
Just to give me one bad feeling for she too.
But you want to take my dad and my daughter, so.
Well, one stepmother, but no she.
So you want to be a stepmother, and it's one where partner talk to.
Yeah.
So you know she.
Not because me know.
Because you know she, man, but you can't read the book like I see as my tell us still, I know.
Everything, you just, you know what you like the girl.
When you get older, we understand. Yeah, we must be young now.
Me not young, and me can't choose your choice, but me not like her.
You're young, you're young. So you can't choose nothing right now. You have to just work with your flow, you see me? Right. So you walk off, so. Watch out. Big son gone. Alright.
Me not hear you know.
Come go up here, road, yeah? So me can eat.
How wrong with the phone? Me not hear.
How are you there, sir?
Oh, yeah, hold on there a minute. We ask me what me
Yeah, in a my spot, I saw my hustle, you try excuse. Come, you come.
So mama really
Go
like to
one
say
side.
you hustle?
Then, you know, so me look where you think, say, me, I go look work. You know, see this?
Mama, let me tell you something. You better
How
go
what?
look work.
How?
You're too young for around your body. You feel look work.
My body now running, I don't have to fix it up. You go on.
Fix it up out.
Yeah, bye?
Buy what? Mama, I don't buy. Listen me. Mr. Man, I've
So, yeah, there, so go on,
you know say you own the roadside.
Camera, when you talking, you know, if you're not buy, go on, you go run customers. Go on, see you.
I never know say you own the roadside. Yawa.
You don't see me is who?
You're queen.
You don't see me is who?
You're the parliament. You're MP. Huh?
Me have the body to take over the one in position and worry yourself.
Mama,
Why, me see who I come.
looking at your body tell me say, you know worth it.
I lie, you what tell you want to try?
Try what? You think a tricycle this? You think a bike? Watch out, see there? You could talk, breeze blow, sick na me, yeah.
It's a blind for your chat too much. Excuse.
And I'm here, me use chat.
Come out of my face now. Yeah, bye.
Oh, let me ask you a question. You ever think about if you go work in a real life? You ever think about if you
95
go
now
work?
go on with nothing.
Even if you make one like 15,000 when then take out tax out at 13,000 ad left. At least you have like a monthly.
Me
Which
say
a taxi
95
fare.
now go on with nothing. A body I do it. Me say body do them body not go run road. A body I do it.
Okay. So that's why everybody go a body plate at Colombia, go put on big body and big breast.
Colombia not the good at DR. A DR would sing there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You not plan for move?
You feel
You're
like
not buying, you leave.
you feel like God like what you do.
God not feel like it. The man them like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what?
Wanna?
If you tell me know what is right, they come out from outside there. You can see you. Uno. People like a Uno now.
Run away now. Run away, old boy. Come in now where you are going with. Go on.
How you call old boy?
Go on.
Oh really me you are call old boy?
Yeah, back here, them back in the days, big man. Go on. I
Alright.
said nothing. Go on.
Alright. One.
Run away, man.
Remember say no, God not sleep, you know. Remember somebody tell us say
We
God
don't say
not
God yet.
sleep.
What?
You better wanna go look down and run down the body. You see Uno?
Go away.
You see Uno?
Go away, you chat too much.
Thank you. God
You
bless
make
you
all the breeze that blow in my face. Go on.
God bless you too.
Move.
Yes.
Dear me. Get me something like full man, you know.
Claw blows, yes.
And I see how this body look good and set right to man go like him now. And I said, for him come sit by him for buy, for him go get to get that picture something. Because I'm big blood clot.
Young miss,
Yes, sir.
you come from where? Oh, the Lord is good, man. The Lord is good. You know, say, I don't know if you understand, like, when you go to church and the pastor them ask to bring the younger ones them to come and pray and worship the Lord.
You don't even like your worship, Lord. You invite me at church. Me tell them I want to come at church.
So nothing wrong
You
with
see, invite me at church, Marcus. Sir.
then it's the good Lord you get. You have to come there because right now, the mercy of God, they come.
The mercy of God against you. Listen to
Just
me.
what go on in the sky over America.
We're going to for America. But the America, me
This is
there,
what Elon
Jamaica.
must do.
Me busy what him want to do.
Next thing at the earth, them go shatter in pieces and you have to give your life to God.
Listen to me. You see what church I look? At that me want.
What church I look?
Money. Church I look money. Me I look money too. You see me and my sister live now in a little cabinet, a little one room. You don't have window, now door. I saw back up you one piece of ply.
So why,
And a Sally text door.
so why you don't come to the church?
No. Church, I give me food. If they, me not sure. Me not nothing against church, you know. Me just not going because what church want, I eat me a look. You can't make a church now. Church, I give me food every day. If the church, I give me food every weekend when we come. Hold for food and money. What the church I provide, I have no problem to come.
May I teach you something? You see, when you come onto the word of God, it's like a miracle. It takes a miracle to get what you want. You can't just pray and it will happen right away as you pray.
Me been a prayer how much years now and me been not rich now.
No, because when you pray for that.
So tell me,
You be it off like, if you pray and you say you want a man, you cannot pray because you want a man. You pray for goodness. You say, God, I'm down on my knees begging you for strength and
while ago, me a walk, while ago me say the walk come here tap, you know. Me take a tap me for business. It tap me for foolishness about church. Business as in business, you know me a talk about. Me take a tap me for you can talk about church, man.
No.
Just grieve me for take a buy, yeah, buy.
Buy what? I second time you...
Goodies. And I buy none.
No.
Why?
Listen.
Me not understand you. Me think you tap me because you want something to buy. For me go do and get me little money. You tap me go talk about church. Church, you give me money. God, you give me money. Why if people when they shut us up in the sky, you give me money. I'm busy about them. Look on Donald Trump. He might give me money. They might give me money.
No.
You giving me money. Hey, next time you tap me, man. No tap me. I'm tired of it.
You ever understand? You don't try to understand life.
What I want in life? Me a suffer. And because me a suffer, me go and work what God give me to make money. God give me so me I use it and make money.
God never give you stuff to make money.
I give it for do then.
God give you to multiply the earth and make sure the earth is still alive.
Well, I go and multiply the earth with it. But not as yet. Me don't know if you put so much picnic. And money me want. Think I tap it me say you don't want none to buy?
No.
It tight.
I can give you a work. You can clean up the church every Saturday for church Sunday morning.
Hello. Me don't wanna work. You know, say me didn't wanna work, but I go look work. You feel like I work me can't get?
No.
I me don't want any work there. What about that umbrella strip club me work pan? That's me get fire.
Huh?
Yeah. Me work for a strip club. Me say one night I want a girl beat me, so bust up my face, so me have to turn on me yard now. Me get fire. A strip club me that work pan. What you talk about?
You go on.
Go on.
Remember, if
You
you,
know what?
don't repent,
But you know, if you sit on your friend and you want to buy, tell him about me. My name Kayla. You hear your name? What's your name?
huh?
What's your name?
Same thing we just call.
This a old man. Anyways, bye. Nice meeting you.
Second time for the day, somebody a call me old man. Never you do that.
Cause you're old. You're old. Watch ya.
I'm here.
Lord Jesus! Almighty God!
I'm here.
Cover me, God!
I'm here.
Cover me, Father!
Ramp with me.
Thanks to what me out.
Me, my daughter, anytime, man. But the next time I see sun hot, wait till the sun cool in the air.
Yeah.
Because I don't want black horse. I don't drink more, I don't what's up with them, I like that more.
Me now all that's in a car pass, so we not feel worry. Yeah, the fire one with that.
Me, your daddy, listen to pastor. Pastor, I saw them have a man there. I must say, hold my cup for me.
And now worry.
That look nice, cute baby.
Excuse me. Me no want baby.
So yeah, what then?
Baby is different. Baby is when I wear pampers and child when I wear clothes.
Oh, look, man, you see. So I go on, good.
Me there, man, just come interrupt me so like that. It's my talk to my daughter. You know, manners.
So you have to go on, so.
You know, excuse me. When somebody talk, what your problem?
Oh, what is?
What your problem?
Me see where the dirty behavior, dirty manners come from, you know.
Dirty manners where?
You don't come too far from his childish feet.
You come like one of them shit pit there. In real life.
You don't have
I'm
no
smelly,
manners.
you know. I'm smelly, but I think I cow, you know, but relative to you. Cause it's
I
stronger.
would never me yash and rank with that said that
But I think I cow there coming with a while ago.
You
So
can't
you.
smell me. Yourself you smell.
I'm smell myself. You see, look for me.
I must say tally pit below your nose you smell, you know.
You're mad, girl. Me clean the pit this morning.
Me clean my two pit them this person don't know what you talk about.
No, sir, that you pit them
That's
clean.
how I smell shit. All the pictures I look come from 8 to 2. How want to come from?
Where me will come from?
I'm going to move from my spot.
Yo, go on where you come from. Go on where your business in one. Woman, go on, woman.
Me nah move. Where do me nah move? Me nah move.
You know what?
Me come up in a piece and come talk to you go on the most sweet.
You show me that there right here so me have to grow good.
Yeah, that's what I'm talk to you about. So. Excuse me a little one. Sorry for we get off on a bad start. What for me not to you so you know the communication as yet. You understand? Me just come on the road.
But me kind of feel still, so you have to stay with me still.
No about that. I see you look very nice and gentle well now.
I mean, clean up and style. What
yeah, style. You know, do the business.
Depends. What kind of business? Oh, the business is there.
Yeah. I'm my sister's wife. I want me to take it to the day. On the business.
No, business is a must, no, but there's a woman me have to put in my house right now, you know.
You can't put me near your house and I want good furniture.
Furniture?
Me nah come out. Good housewife. Me nah come at door, me nah get no, but me nah get no.
The bun partner, because you come to me first. You're working man now.
Yes.
So if me not have money to get today, tomorrow
No
I'm
man,
going to
me
my friend.
me nah no man, I treat me nobody no day. Me and somebody did they know that the parent me turn now and waiting in have it. Yeah, and pop out it together.
Well, my daughter, come here, my daughter. You think about this one now?
Nice
Can I
cute
put her up?
baby.
She not like you. You see, she
I
not
know
like
what your
you.
daughter want.
No, I find what best for my daughter. I find a good role model for my daughter.
Your daughter said that a good role model.
What?
Me come for me. Me come to me eye side. Come on,
Yo,
too.
go on, yeah,
You
man.
dirty lad.
I come like
Me
a
don't know
hungry,
how me don't put that one look rough like a you. Cuff like a you me want. Yeah,
Yeah,
your
mean
daughter
Cruff.
go. Yeah,
Oi.
your daughter shit pit, toilet pit.
Cross no walk with them, I'm first. Look here. You see this, I'm going to give something, but you know, no manners. Put it back in my bag.
That one, you know, I take a
Ease
prank,
yourself,
man.
man. My daughter don't
A
like
prank.
you. What kind of
I know
prank?
you know, no, me not make about
You see it? If you never see a brick, you don't go on so a while ago.
me. My sister need to come to the back of jam. Me can't do my type of job because you see, this is what me can't take it.
Let go on.
Fear that I like me no one.
I that.
Right.
Watch him look all shit pick there going on. Watch him. My daughter, any day you come and go me I tell him I go kill myself. I go bury myself. You hear that? Alright. Count on a lawyer or a doctor. Okay, or a soldier. It's like a police thing, but a soldier can go on still.
No, you're standing now. Go look at this scratching.
Trish.
What,
Nothing.
Man, from what day I find out that I take on the road too often, no. You just sit down on the road, and you know.
You ready to see told right, that's alright?
Yeah, but you don't feel smoke around her.
No, I know she a smoke and me a smoke. She know bad.
You didn't know, say. You cannot smoke and she get high.
And I saw you go.
I saw you go.
Second
So what
smoking
now?
skill.
Alright?
See how do I marry my father?
You ready for that yet, my brother?
No.
You ready for that yet?
Cause every week me have to get new hairstyle. If me need to marry, you have to done with drum and weed.
You see, look amount of me have, obviously, I go to school, after you eat, and some look style. Look on him.
And if me and him for married, he not gonna have so much money.
Isn't he?
So what? How you want? Stepmother?
Yes. But him see one ugly of a girl on the road and him saying like about me no like that the girl.
What do you mean ugly? God make you bad night one image, you know.
But me just don't like the girl. She's giving me a bad feeling.
We work on him, my daughter. Don't worry yourself.
So you know, yeah, the little child says she don't like that girl. You know, so everybody have something for a reason.
Actually, you know, you know, make you want me to go there, you know. But me not know
maybe
you like
because
that.
I'm a child of the Lord.
You see Christian people,
Me never tell you say me a Christian, you know. Never tell you say me a Christian. But me know say me they praise the Lord.
Yeah, praise the Lord.
Yes, and you need to do it too.
Who say me not praise
You
the
don't have to
Lord?
be Christian to
Who
praise
say
the
me not praise
Lord.
the Lord?
You know, looks like
But
it.
show me drinking, you see this a little like wine.
They
But a different type of wine this. You see this a bread, but a different type of bread. Me still a praise the Lord, but in my own style.
Well, if your daughter said the lady give her bad feelings, you have to look into it. You can't
No,
just
me I look into it. That's why me not
can't
put
just
her up
put
yet.
your fear feelings and say,
You're mad. Come to do that.
yes.
Come to do that. That's why me I look into it. Me I pray so she know me right now.
She there no?
No. She not there yet.
Well, if you look somebody else then, man.
Me I work on that, man. Make me I look about it.
Alright, later, yeah?
Later.
Alright.
Wait there.
What happened?
We could have come with you.
Yeah, because me just go up the road and come back. If your father allow if you come, you can come, yes?
Daddy, we could have go with her.
Where you go?
Me there go up and Miss Jennifer.
What?
Me I go up and Miss Jennifer.
Oh, but Miss Jennifer.
Yeah, she's sick, so me I go look for her. Look if she alright. Cause she not come to church 2 weeks now.
Alright. So like come that I know you like that and like a good woman. But me not make you go on the road broke. You remember that say you can buy yourself and look juice or look something. Wrong, you can buy yourself something there?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come. So, we are going to home.
So almost there.
Some people will come home after.
Right, at she yard.
Alright.
Oh, you don't make 5 o'clock reach here?
Sure.
Chowa. If you make 5 o'clock reach me, I can look for you myself. You hear that?
Hey,
Wow.
what going?
There, mama, you dealing.
No. So you not text or call me?
You know, so I'm busy with that from that day. You know, everything come down, man.
So you not have a data today, what going?
You know, so you're gonna put with your little friend down and church, so they're gonna put with me, no.
Oh, you make she go to church and so?
She got a church,
That's
man.
good.
Can't
So you say
manage to
I go
order them. Tell me what I go on.
You text me now, no?
Let me phone up me at a charge. We can't text her now.
Put in your number and this because you're not program not you know, so just put in your number. Alright, what your name?
Can't say it as J, man, but a job one my name.
Alright. Say no, money can't give me a thing.
Can't get a little thing still, because you know I like a little body and everything, you know, my friend.
You have your money then there?
So I could afford money, I don't hold man money.
We have money, man.
I'm telling my friend. So you change, you get 130,000, you see?
Alright. So when you come link me?
I'm not sure it, you know, but I'm find time, you know.
Alright. Alright, may I go pass so?
Go on, man. Oh.
Yeah, may I text you, yeah?
Lord, God, I love a little body, you see.
Wow. Wow. I want a nice dark chocolate here. Hello.
Are you again? Come to the man here.
Why everything are you again?
I want more.
So what go on? You not plan to come in our church?
But tell us I want to go to church. You have money?
So if you have money to invite in a church?
Yeah, a man more wanting in a church, more wanting.
So mama, you ever consider what your life? You ever consider
What about my life?
You ever consider to give yourself to God?
I don't got more give myself to you, but you don't have money.
So me if you have money if you want me.
Yeah.
We teach you something. You say if you can't love a man.
No come free. Love not do it. Tell me that. No come with that, please.
The only thing is free is love for God. Yeah? Don't say no come free. Because God not charge you for love him.
What else? You have the business?
Well, the type of business you talk about what I want to hear.
Me I sell.
No. We don't do any business there. We think like money wise when me I go benefit and you I go benefit. If I
No.
close here I sell no problem. Come and understand.
I have them precious time there.
Alright.
95 now do it.
I tell you already, and you're going to come back again. But the 95, now do it. As I talk about that, I just remember some of the top of it too. And I talk to you about church.
About church.
Right.
What I say to you? I say to you, say me not coming.
But the 95 make me know.
Yeah.
So here with me, I go tell you, say no.
Yeah.
Since that's 95 now work for you, I can buy you 10 bag of bag juice and you start off with that.
At 95, I don't want that. I don't want no work coming for go a morning time. I don't want no equipment for baby too.
Woman, you can go anytime you want.
Me no want no work, you deaf? Stop telling me about work. Me no want that. I want to sell the cookie.
I'm supposed to cook no good. How you
The
go?
cookie are good. How are you?
You know much girl I walk?
Dark chocolate.
You know much
good
girl I walk
cookie
and
with
shot,
pink
man?
cream inside.
Eh? You know much girl I walk and shot,
Well,
man?
this not shot nobody and I got this.
The last girl come on my yard and take out the underpants and drop your glove, you know. Cause me never know say woman still wear underpants, you know. He not hit yaki and
That got nothing to do with me. This not shot a man. The duff cat not the righteous so. I glory this. But yes, no. That is the more business.
You
I
see,
not go with
I
nothing.
want glory me know about. Go on. And not Jesus.
So you know the business for true.
No.
When I met for a man in a mood I really like.
You have money in your hand right there, so.
No worry, but I make this bother you.
With your big old iPhone 14.
And this give me this. And this give to me.
Okay.
Them say good old girl forget things, whole heap of things too. You don't want to give me nothing.
Okay. Go on.
Where there, sir?
I want.
Me a bring her in the...
Tell me, say, I buy a
And that him a do. And that you do. But he not the money.
Girl, take that
You
out your
want?
mouth.
I am Christian.
Hello.
One.
You see me...
You stop yes, I buy.
And that him a do.
You see me take out money I buy?
And that him give me this. Him give me this.
Over bush, me come from now, come and take a shortcut.
Yes.
Yeah, something about business.
And him give me this.
You know, say, yo, Daniel, God, you know...
Me go tell
Pastor,
Gloria
you too lie.
Me go tell Gloria Parriad, me go up on the hill. Me go over here.
You see the devil strong.
Very nice, though, my young girl.
You have money, you have the business. How you that? Boy.
You see, you know, me don't
Pastor,
talk to you,
mind
you
me
know.
go report you, put your hand on my face in a pastor.
Me is not a
Pastor,
pastor.
mind me report you, boy.
I am not a pastor. I will
Old
work for
boy,
pastor.
mind me report you.
Yeah, come call me old boy. Yeah, come call me old boy. Yeah, come call me old boy. You know, wrong for me, yeah? Don't do it. Right.
Oh God, the sun is very hot.
That me I said too.
Yeah, the sun is very hot. I want to carry you.
Sister Trish,
Hello,
what go on?
Brother Henry, what's up?
They are tired. So what go on?
I'm there, carry her, go get her father now.
Oh, I see you all in that church.
Yeah.
What go on look for one, you alright?
Yeah.
And how the Lord has blessed you.
Very good.
So, you know, say so close to the family.
No, really, the family, I share when I'm close with. Remember saying we got church now.
Understand. Right now, I'm kind of tired, you know. And I try, see if we can get as much people coming to the church because the church kind of look a bit
No, you don't do that. You left them, make them come by themselves.
No.
You know, force people to come in a church. You hear? Because listen, that's when I force them to come into the church. Them are gonna say, "Oh, up your hypocrite God church, I'm up your box, I'm God church, I'm not just want to come to church and go no money." Make them feel it for themselves, and then them sister them need the Lord, they will come. You don't run them down.
Yeah, but murder, you know.
Run them down?
No, not really run them down, but try to bring them into the church. Because we all, this is what go on the earth. Babies that have babies.
That's something you can't stop. Even if you carry them to church, you can't stop.
No, you can't stop it.
I think you can't stop it.
And we don't want to stop it, but we can stop it. If we work together and see what go on in the community, we can stop it.
I think so.
If you see a big man that talk to a little picnic, we can stop it. Just one phone call down a station, although the police never do the same thing too. They might do it little picnic, so it don't make no sense. But as I say, we all have to help each one. You understand?
Yeah, man.
It's like if our sister Pat in our church. You see how me talk to sister Pat and she understand and she save her grandchild from the pregnant. But look for our sister Joyce. So she
Listen to me
licky.
now, that with you now. You say you, I watch the people them business. Why you not talk about your business we are spoil? Talk about your business, they come like chicken back when it touch. It stinks. Leave the people them alone. Come out of people's business. Worry about your business. The poor little girl they right to start here, they chat about the people them business. We expect she to grow up and do. You don't do that.
I don't think she would have chat people. You understand, right?
Yes.
Okay. Good.
Come and me carry her back to your father before 5 o'clock. I dey carry her done before 5 o'clock. So you don't want your father coming and now talking with me.
Yeah, you need to bring your father to church, yeah? Tell him when you go down there, say, Daddy, I'm inviting you to church.
I'm not gonna take the chance to go in a church.
Why?
You see if him do they come, tell him to carry the ganja in the room.
Why not come in the church?
Tell him to come empty-handed. Leave a Bible in half you carry.
Why not come in the church?
Every time people ask him to come in a church, he has in my drinking room or something, and him high.
Him high?
Yes.
You know where you go start, you know?
Me can't control him.
You go start throw water and rum.
I throw salt in there.
I see weed when I smoke, you go start dash water upon you or something, or crush up you or something. Anyway, I'm not take time while I was doing 5 o'clock. Time is going.
Yeah, bad influence, you know. Yes, you live. Yes, you live.
Yeah.
Oi. Don't take so long to come.
Because me I walk, I'm gonna run. Me don't think must need to run.
You see next time I go with my daughter again, make sure you be on time. I hear that?
So that's why I see the nice son.
Sun hot, you know. So me I sweat.
Well, so me carry back your daughter here.
My daughter, I last chance my daughter, don't make it happen again. I hear that? I say, now let you hear that again.
Sir, we're 1 minute late.
What? Me no response, I could have second late.
Me never walk on the shortcut and me never know which part me a quite
Listen, me
go.
man, she know where she are, go say, man, faster.
Anyway, me let her go back, she walk, come by herself. Oh, shut them out and relax,
Shut
man.
mouth.
See your daughter here. And I think I need to come to church Sunday.
Come and wish me in church.
Your daughter never tell us if you need to come to church.
We don't mix something good enough for people, my friend.
But let's say full of tricks and pringle too much. But you need to come to church.
Hot.
Why?
And I feel like you want some God in you. When last I got church? Otherwise, we're on funeral.
What funeral last funeral I'm again?
Nothing but you tell me. Later, I'll see you next time.
But we don't want to me do it here. Let's say that again.
Later.
Look more.
Sister girl. I'm not busy. Girl, you idiot. You can't make one little pick me. They're black from me. But you don't understand. My girl, listen to me. Believe in me. Me go and fix it. Don't worry about how me they go fix it. Just know say I am going to fix it. Alright, me tell you. You see, me know one good hobby man when me can't carry go. We go tidy man. We can do. We go black way mind for in data. Say no business about in data again. That we are go do. Remember what did you last time? Yes. That's how we are going to do it. We are going to make him seeing that and make him go and like say no seeing that. If him the taxing for nothing, he don't go and give him data. And you me go and make run your head. So don't worry yourself. They go and sort it out. Because when you make pitney account control, you know no sense, man. Alright, and me want to send some money come, because you will move it with man now and me hungry. Because nothing now go on, because right now you regular spot me there and nothing now run. Alright, do you have to do? Me will deal with it. Me I go deal with it, because you know how much sense. You just big and fool. Alright, later. Why you to tell me come on now? Dirty dog! You don't want to buy nothing. But me see you over bridge. And you me attack dirty dog.
I tell me I call dirty
Yes,
dog.
you mongrel dog. You think me see over bridge last night?
You know what me did I do over there?
Where did I do over there?
Pray, I was praying for the people them over there.
And I mean to see you in the Bible.
You know have a Bible for prayer, mama?
Listen to me. May I tell you something special the other day you don't want it? Why you don't want it, eh? Tell me now.
Mama,
Why you don't want it?
the Bible say you if you married before.
Married me and then we divorced. So you give me my money. You don't understand that?
I know me not say I really that, you know. So me waste my precious time married to a woman like a uno. You know, demons and devil, me hear about you know.
What demons and devils? Demons and devils,
Listen,
devil by
you
yourself?
and your sister are two demons.
Is it demons you want to sell? God give it to me. So I'm using it. God give it to me to work it. And I'm working it. What's the problem?
Alright.
You have a problem with me? I ask some of the work.
This is what go wrong now. God never give you front to work.
Can I give me to do?
God give you front to multiply the earth. By finding a lover, multiply it, bring fitness, because you know say God no really want nobody dead off of the earth. God want the earth to flourish.
You want it to flourish? Well, me want me underneath flourish with hood. That me want.
You go on, you know, till you, one day you're sorry, you know.
I'm me not sorry. I will never say anything I do in life is something that I want to do. You know, sorry or nothing.
Oh.
So you say you buy today?
Okay.
What?
So it don't matter what you do in life.
It don't matter what me do.
You do it.
But just do it.
So you don't care about nobody else.
I don't care about nobody else. I don't care about no consequences. I don't care about the afterlife. I don't busy about that. When that time they come, me talk to God that time. When me talk about
You
now.
ever go to China man go look work?
Hello, me can't go to China man go look work, you know. Cause my mouth don't clean. Me face it with anybody. So you say me tell you just so? You make my money. But I show you tongue and I come like God then I hear it too much. But me have to box it out and put the devil in there. That me go and do.
Me teach you something. You better you buy some bag juice. Some sweetie. When the school them over, you go out the gate side, go sell. You have to make a money.
Me tell this. You say me put on my hot girl clothes them. And me go up on the road and me wine 2 times. Me not have to worry about that. A pole dancing me soon start do. Cause this now make no money. When me start skin out, me making my dollars.
No job, no fit to you see? I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm gonna be honest with you. Man out there and be honest. I don't see which part you shape. You make me feel, you know them long time old Fantana back there.
Me don't know a long time old Fantana buckle, but this is not Fantana buckle. This is Kayla. You're too damn bright, dirty man. You're not beard. Out of order and argue with me this one, you know. You see what's happening in from yesterday? Don't try to take me on this morning, cause me will lick in your head and make you pray to God. Me make you run to God now. So if you know what's best, you walk one. No start with me in the morning. Eh?
No.
No start with me in the morning. Don't start with me in the morning, yeah.
Try read that chapter, you know.
Read out a chapter out of your face.
Me soon become pastor, you know.
I don't care.
Anytime I learn the whole of the Bible, pastor role me I take up. Not even deacon,
Go on.
me not take up, cause deacon I walk. Me no want walk. Me want drive too.
Yes, you thief the people money in the church. Me ask you a question. If money so evil, why you not collect in a churchyard? Why you not collect it?
Mama.
Why you not collect it?
All
Tell
right.
me.
I'm gonna tell you the truth.
Tell me want to know.
As a Christian, right? Money is the root of all evil. It never say money evil, you know. Money is the root of all evil, meaning me will get a lot of money and do good with it. You get a lot of money and do bad with it. So, the money is not evil. It's the root of all evil, mean people.
You know, I'm saying, realize you want something. Like you need a pad for your mouth. Like you talk too much. Like you talk too much.
You know, God
Yes,
tell me if you
go
answer
on.
you today. We never
Go on.
answer you.
Because you just answer me. And I give you this. And I'm some dirty girl.
You're alright.
I'm not son, she said I'm your son. Me at 19, me could have never the right to start selling.
I mean, I chat to.
Let me not see nobody else. I just start selling spot mama, so after you me a talk. You're not tired to sell now. At 19, me could have never the right to start sell, because me now my body count past 5. No, you have to do better,
I
man.
look uptown dirty foot girl. And me, you ready come boy in the morning, yeah, so? Listen to me. Me I sell my body and me proud of it. Yes, me they sell. Me proud of it. You see this? A brand shirt this. My sell money, buy this. Where I walk with Sheen.
Yes,
$2 product. Now argue with me, the girl. Now argue with me.
Oh, me can't afford
It's
it.
how we equal.
No,
right,
it's not equal, because you're not top sell.
What top
By the time
sell?
you don't sell, I saw you long underneath.
Mama, me not go long on it. All me I sell, me not make no big thing gone there. Like, who know what they take big thing and go into that instead. Is that all the people that got church? I be a suck with a sucker rifle in a church, you know. Who not try come by me, you know. From morning, people that come by me, you know.
You need to go home. This not look good for you.
Me no business. Me a sell and me not top sell. I'm proud of it. I mean, I want to argue with girl. I mean, make you dead for hungry. I mean, if you got
I'm dead
church.
for hungry, because me a dead for hungry. Me could have joined you.
Mama.
One thing for sure, two things for certain. The bread is always at the church. I don't die for hungry.
Mama.
You are die for hungry. You say you sit down right, so not top sell.
Let me tell you
When
this.
the sun hot, you still sit down and sell.
No, son, I'm telling you, it's 10,000 me I make a day. I just multiply that if me get a fit bus out of 50 man for the day. Girl, don't argue with me, the girl. Me I make my money, you know. And never see what you want to say, you know. And you now make me feel no way about myself, you know. So take a little time and walk, go on where you go, you know. Oh, go to church. Can you go argue with me, the girl? Bright. Me I sell on what? It hurt you? I feel you underneath? Bright. I shall be part me take a box on her mouth.
You! Cause me never see this man when me I walk past, you know. I when I reach out to so.
We go down the road.
You say you got church, right? And you're 5 feet deacon.
No, back up, mama. I am fighting for pastorship.
Whoa, God make it worse. You're fighting me pastor. And you see the little long man got pick me up there, so selling body. At such a young tender age, you can't pray for him.
Pray for
What
me.
you do? What you do for your
Me
life?
if you pray for she.
Yes.
No, listen to me. You see, she is not worthy to pray for.
What do you mean by she's a child of the Lord?
You don't understand, no? You can't see the living demons for her. No matter how you pray for her, it just a bounce off. Because you see,
How you know that?
because she don't want to give up what she had do. Oh,
No. Everybody can change.
Mama, I know everybody can change. Sorry to call you mama.
Everybody can change. Brother. Boy, you're 5 feet past. You're 5 feet past and not do the right. If you just walk past her every day.
So hold on, let me ask you a question now. You're Christian and you discriminate people?
No, I'm not discriminate her. I explain to you how she look and how she do. So you can understand who me attack. Don't put no words in her
know say that girl out there not no manners?
She can change. Just so you need to pray for her. Oh, you have to say you're fighting me pastor, you can't pray for her.
Look on Joe.
Me no want you nothing about Joe. Joe.
Pastor pray for Joe, right? To stop drink rum. And as Joe come out of the church, Joe reach a rum bar. One
You don't drink rum. And you say you have private pastorship. So now Joe alone. That little penny they need to go home.
Mama.
He need to go look at supermarket work, or one restaurant work, or even go work for the rubbish shop. Because that is not good for her.
Are you working?
No, me not work.
So you want people to go work if you're not working? What kind of stupidness you talk about?
Because she will want work. Can't you see say work? She will want work. That she start sell her body.
The Bible says, The sweat of a man, bro, he shall eat bread. She a sweat by taking.
So you're not go by today.
Huh?
No, say you're not writing. You're not need to get no pastorship. Because what you're talking is totally foolishness.
Work, she a work. I know chicken she a jerk.
I better should have jerk the chicken than work.
You better you did do it than the watch people business.
No. As bad as the thing be like how they say come as you are. Me no want to go to God like that. She need to top the selling.
Yeah, so I'm whiner.
Come
Me can never afford any Canada shot there.
Maybe it's the way I was say go to a white man pastor and she take it from him.
Yeah, unlike you with the shin bag.
Love me a machine bag better than for your thief out the offering. Cause thief out offering and build the little folk boy you have over your yard. Don't make me start by your case. A man in just like love me a machine bag alone. At least me know where my money come from. Where your money come from, where you use building house where you have over there now. Out of the offering. And then they say you have fired the pastorship.
Look at turn up. How many times you going to sister bag in the church?
Me a go about my business. Me will see you. Tell sister Mac me say no call me name and she will shut her mouth. Cause I never pay her money. And the offering money me thief out.
So you see how life funny? That me, they want to say a thief offering money while them are going to sister Mac and take up. But you wait. God away pound. God away pound.
Daddy,
What about my daughter?
me hungry. I can't give me $100 to buy something to eat or something.
But girl, the money, you know? Oh,
That's true, but
but I shot my money.
look for food force in the kitchen, my daughter, man. Cause we don't have no money right now.
I'm gonna eat that too, so I don't know what she gonna eat.
What do you mean I eat all of that?
Now, ask more mommy, you know? You know what mommy, you know, it's funny me better eat something.
So my daughter gonna eat.
You wanna come on, no? I'm so hungry again.
Me can't eat my daughter like that, man. Me can't have too much money my daughter now.
Look here. No play yourself. Me send no money no in there so figure she. So make she go find something to eat. Go look apple for apple tree or something. And if when me wrap up for that money, I don't have it a problem at different settings.
So me can't pinch her. I could have $100. Me can't pinch her to buy something to eat, you know.
Me say no.
What's the money? Much money me have when my daughter can get a bills out of it.
Me want this for do something. So me don't know what you gonna do. So go look more and check come again.
I'm gonna put myself in a Father God.
Wait a minute, you put yourself in a you idiot. There's a pool.
Yes, reason of your.
There's a pool.
A joke me and make.
Yeah, is a pool.
A joke me and make me. I'll hold down and sleep.
Lie down.
Alright, hold on.
No.
Reason of your.
You go wrong, so. You say to lie down. What that me say? I'm turning your face to the wall. No.
What, brother Henry?
Good evening.
Good evening. You can sit down.
Yeah. Where's that now?
I want to ask you one question. One question about my father.
What about your father now?
Since he meet one girl down the road, he top pay me attention.
Okay. That's a job when your father, the one that tell you invite a church?
Yes. And
I
he
see.
not top short off on me or something, and he never used to do it.
Never used to show it off for you?
He stopped giving me money. He used to normally give me money and say buy a juice or something.
And he stopped giving money?
Yes. And he stopped carrying me on the road.
Okay.
And me alone to travel on the road.
You know what me I say now? It's not for me war that, you know, fear war that. So you go take up your Bible and read the Bible from the front to the end. I don't know how you're going to read out, you just read until you find the right verse to use. Because that's not normal. Your father, you're not going to understand even if he explain it to you. So you have to figure out how to deal with that situation. I can't help you on that. You understand?
Yeah.
So where they go from here, say now?
There's something I can go.
Alright, if I'm not in the party, let me call to you and heal you. But for now, I know my word that. When me talk to him, it's either later or tomorrow. I can't promise you now. But me surely I go talk to him.
Okay.
Alright. Take care.
Later.
Oh boy.
Father up above, my father abandoned me. And if I just kill myself and done. But you know what? I go fight it. Go fight it.
I feel drink bag juice now, you know.
And you that for that?
Oi, where you come from?
When I brother Henry.
A big woman.
Brother Henry, where? Who's in the yard?
Me did go refresh my brain because...
Who send you out of the yard?
Nobody?
Nobody take myself out of the yard. Who's sitting there on the road?
But she a big woman.
Big woman, where?
What this?
Oh, come go up in the yard now. Go up in the yard now. Take now, broke it across the back in the girl. Go up in the yard. Oh, yeah, kiss it off. Come here, son. Come here, son. Where kiss it off a while ago? My box up on your mouth. Go up in the yard. But take now, broke it across the back of the girl. Say yo.
I'll go up on that bed. Go up. Come, babes. Go
Come
up.
here, baby.
She out of here?
No, I'm really upon him. The man who? Alright, the man ain't woman. I shall wait upon him. Yes, Mr. Jabo, you know how you may wait upon.
I'm going to run my answer, father. Soon now I'm cheer.
Listen, the daughter come on the church. See, oh, see how you.
Make him get up and I want to sit down.
Get up. No one wants to go.
Get up now.
I'm going to father, man. I even cheer already.
Sorry.
You don't get
So what going on?
You see, mama want to see it already.
I said you do the elder.
Talk now.
We are man, we can't turn up. I lie.
I don't lie, but...
Look at girl going in.
Hello,
No, don't do that, alright. No,
listen me. You
Talk.
don't talk to my church sister like this.
She's a child.
It don't matter where she is. As long as she go to the church, she's a church sister.
At the time for she baptized it.
She's a member. You hear me I say? Your daughter say you don't pay attention to her.
we don't pay attention.
You are load upon her.
Yes, that's true. You're not paying me no attention.
Little girl.
A big woman.
Little girl. Who not paying attention? Me I talk to you till you walk out of your house. Me don't even know where you go.
Your daughter was happy before you have a woman, you know. No, she
No,
come to church.
You love when see me lonely, like see me lonely. See me get one nice good study now.
Never a woman and a fit for you. You know see where you take up.
You know me not fit to me.
And daddy you take up.
Turn up, babes.
She won't even cook the poor little girl. So that's a fool you.
And what?
And that's a fool you. Boy, I wish if you could have see the inside of her. God no.
Why you would have want to see
We
that?
see inside her every night.
You can never.
Bread.
Can you excuse me and your father, please?
Go on in, man.
You want me as you know. You need to pay attention to your picnic.
Me pay attention to her, man. Me no know
You
what me
cannot
father
put
do.
woman over your picnic.
Mind me
Come
eye,
on,
no,
come on,
sir.
picnic.
How are this? Mind me eye. Mind me eye.
Easy, babes. Easy. We are easy. Easy.
Tell him something,
You know,
I'm a joke, man, me eye.
Alright, but I pint off my yard, daddy. Pint off my chest.
Alright, you see something like them, eh?
Something like, what do you mean by something like them?
You don't take them up.
What do you mean something like that, daddy?
That's to make sure we don't need a daughter. They might get a whore, a prostitute, they might pay sell themselves.
Because I know that already, man. I'm saying in church.
Exactly.
If I ever meet her and I say she wants something to taste, you know.
I agree with that. If you live
I
in
buy
with
bite
that.
and love it.
Daddy.
You see what in a woman, back then, can't come out
But
now.
me put me not gear me all. Me gear one piece.
No,
of
you
it.
give her all because you
gear
don't pay
all.
attention to your
Me gear
picnic.
piece, daddy. Me gear a piece of my heart. Me say my heart and like a heart. You know.
What you talk about? All of that you have to give me. I don't want a piece. Or sit now go work.
No.
So tell the man say give me the all and stop tell lie.
Gear half.
Like it. Tell the man the all.
She cook for you?
You cook for me?
No,
After me not come here for being a maid. No. He's not a maid.
She not start cooking.
Me not go cook.
What you mean now?
Me not go cook.
Money go cut short.
Alright, you see, if you honor your father cook, don't eat it.
What you tell the girl say?
Don't eat it. Me I tell her that.
Deacon, I tell me that the deacon.
No,
Let you
listen.
believe now?
Me don't like what I go on right here, so. Me tell her that to make sure you're coming to church. You're not coming to church.
The church thing, daddy. I feel depend on the house, laddie.
Yeah, but you, once a week you can't find time to come to church.
You must be contacting them for me.
God will take away your blessing.
Eh? I forgot you praise God them for.
Me understand so you give her money to to offering, but you have to come there yourself.
Me not figure church to praise Father God. You can praise on your house. On my bedside.
Hey, as soon time for you go cook, so make that man wrap it up and hurry up and go on.
Hold on, hold on, no.
Wrap it up.
Hold on there, so hold on there.
Nobody hype up Tracy. Nobody with no raise your voice, no raise your voice. No come with that.
Quack don't call you most a little boy there.
That makes me feel laugh.
Nobody
what we agree about?
No answer.
Nobody hype up.
No answer.
Nobody hype up. Nobody hype up. Make me can leave because I'm hungry.
Don't hype up.
Make me can leave.
Let me put on my Christianity.
Because I'm hungry.
Don't.
Listen, man.
Left.
We agree to. Look, we made us start them. You have to cook. Wash our clothes. Say to me, say you can't do them something. So I come pick you up at my house.
I never promised you that.
So hold on there. You see a woman on the road and think she can wash, cook and clean. You again? Where do you think that people them
Get him from out here now.
I plan the plan.
I want one.
I'm with them coming up.
I plan the plan for this.
Take out the plan.
Look at you.
In a people yard, you're out of that
part. My horse. If me gonna get caught,
look, come out.
You must free up your
Mind my eye.
I hear me carry him out of way.
Take him out here because you do too much. Come, I look girl too much. Come in as a little girl.
So we feel a while ago. Come here, so. We get chick.
Come in as this little girl. I'm going underneath the bed. Come in now, I'm soon.
I should play them soon come. Some food. You hear me, daughter? But next time, you can go for your last. Oh.
That's what you do. No, but I'm box in your face. I'm
going to share. I'm last on my hand.
Go on in, go
people coming in the yard.
Go in, go look body something for eat.
People coming in the yard, my girl.
Go in because I'm hungry. Go on, man, wrap it up now. Go on,
Go there.
Go on. No, I'm telling you, boy. What do I get to get up now? Get up. No. Babes! Boy! Mama, man! I call you.
Oh, my man.
Come take up this now.
I'm telling you this for now. Then you call me.
Get up now.
No, mama, man, take it there.
Take up this. I want to sit down.
You have a good, you know.
Take up this
now.
now.
Where do?
Take it up first now.
One now.
Kiro, wait. Go on now. By the way, I'm hungry.
Just go on them thing mackerel tonight.
I mean, I want that, you know. I don't want that.
What you want then, babes?
Money for go down at KFC.
Yes,
Would I take one bucket with the 8 piece in there?
Garage.
I want 4 can.
What time you tell us you carry your garage?
You walk?
No, me can't walk so far.
I'm going to tell you this. So in time I tell you say me hungry. Hungry man is a very angry man. Don't play with me. Get your shits together, make me get something for eat.
Alright,
I'm hungry.
I'm going to the house for a money.
And don't move too slow. Stupid nonsense.
I can't go stop right now, baby.
And ask you, oh. Some girls aside, me no know what to do them.
You see, anything I do to my father, anything I do to my father, I'm going to find out. So
Penny, where are you now, my face? What? Scoosh, what you want? What you want?
I tell you something, may I give you a warning. See, you see, anything I do to my father, me I go find out. Me.
Jesus Christ, boy, come here!
Me box ya?
The penny box from me, brother! The penny box from me, brother!
You see me give him a couple beating there. You happy now?
No.
You want to?
Come back, say back.
You say so.
So what am I going to eat?
Soon buy 2 KFC for your bacon. You say so.
And then I'm going to eat.
KFC and KFC say you want. Or you want to
Alright,
box
reach the
food?
bag in this stuff. Please, me, I go down there with this.
You look for your money pound.
Wonder if nobody see me. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth was without form and void. The darkness was upon the face of the water. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God, I'm me alone with this. And God saw the light that it was good, and God divided the light from the darkness. And God called the light day, and the darkness He called night. And the evening and the morning were the first day. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the water from the waters." And God made the firmament and divided the water which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so.
know nothing better for do? Huh?
The front up the sun come here so you find me. How are this?
Mama, I know you may watch it. I pass by, go by my business, you know, but God
Go
just show me a sign to you need deliverance.
Go on, show yourself. Go on, make God show you the road. Go on.
Why you feel like say? Every time I talk to you, you feel like say something bad. Me I say to you, something good, mama.
Sure, me can't do something. You chat too much.
What me do?
You don't buy. You waste my time.
Me don't need to buy, mama.
Oh, give me the money and go on then.
I don't got it right now. Me I try see me. I fasting me up and for one day I never look at the little girl, can't find the little girl.
Who's a good girl?
Huh?
Who's a good girl?
The little girl.
How many man she gonna take?
From yesterday I don't see him. She don't come at church.
Probably a man the little girl gonna take.
That with Uno, you know.
And that with Uno now, Uno listen, they can't take man out when they young. They might take man for the idea they need.
I know everybody are gonna do the same thing what you do, you know.
You see me I take man?
Of course.
You ever see me taking man?
You don't take
Me
them.
not take man, me collect man. I take she, I take man. Me not take them, man, I collect them.
That with you know. You see all your sister? We look like we tie the man over there.
My sister don't have a time, man. And the man just fall in love with her good, because her good.
Listen to me, there's nothing named good. There is no hole is gooder than none. It's the right song full of things that...
one good better than for everybody one. So the way you want to say, for me have the good, me have the name really, like, me have the grippy, me name Miss Grippy-sha.
You see, if you did have the rip, what they were thinking about the rip, if you did have that...
Rip. Life sweet, my boy. No better milk. No donut. Me have the good.
Okay.
What?
You have the good. Every day I pass you sit down. If you did have the good, you're busy. You're busy like a bees. The man them tired of you. You come like a...
Are you there running man them?
You come like a solar hole.
Are you running man? Every time you come here, so are you up there, so every time I see you. After you gone, me not see no man. You know why? You is a destruction. Every time you come, you top man them from come. Whenever you walk come from up that hill there, no more man no come for the rest of the day. Never start come out early now a morning time after 5 in the dark. Take a you. Cause once you pass, no more man now come. Yeah what?
I'll tell you the truth.
Come like COVID-19.
I'll tell you the truth. Every time I pass you, I see man come that way and say them I go down, so go check if you buy. Me turn them back, me tell them, listen, me don't go down there. She a walk with the mackle no.
So, who walk with the, where you about?
Tell them, say you have the
Who walk
gun.
with this mackle? What me a chat about?
Me tell them, say you have the pipe, you shoot, man, so me tell them, so...
You see me a shoot, man? You see me a shoot, man?
I push you.
Me push you! Me not talk push you! You're too bright! You see me walking down and me put a shot nobody?
Mama, I want me here.
Hey, so the different shot when you get shot long time, because I'm tired of you. I'm not shot you. Eh?
Listen, I'm praying for you.
I walk with the out of my road with me macklet in your mouth.
Let me pray for you.
Pray for your hood.
Excuse me.
Look where you come from.
A big woman you know see?
I'm taking your church right now.
And so she a big woman, she first wife, you see?
Where you come from?
Daddy, I try to shut up. Can I know what you say?
What? Your church
But she bright, are you sure talk to her? What this? But tell us, say, Penny a big woman. What she?
Try shut up.
How we are talk?
The devil contest.
I do whole heap of something. I just little bit of man me. Me can go obey a man. Me not do whole heap of something. Me obey your father, yes, but I'm not for nothing real. I just say money me want, and me want in left and talk to you.
Daddy, shut up. Can you just come back to
Me tell us, say your father, for me and your father me want, and me take your father. Look a girl, me take your father because me not like you. Me want your father money nice, and me take him to mind me and my sister.
What you do?
And my sister follow me.
back to the sender.
And my sister follow me, God, obey a man, Jesus. And my sister
What should I do, my daughter?
Akela follow me, oh God, Akela follow me. It's Akela follow me. And Akela tell me to carry underpants when just take off. Jesus. Akela, carry me. I'm sorry, but I can't like Cammy.
Come out of my yard, bro.
I can't like Cammy. I can't like Cammy. Ooh, can't like
Let's
Cammy.
go to my yard. Left the place.
That's right.
Daughter, I'm sorry for everything here, my daughter. You even know what happened in a yours. Right, my daughter. I'm not cheat about my daughter.
You said it trick me bad.
You just... What you got first in school, man? Wait me for blessing for the car, man. No, man. No. She's one of them yard. Go to factory.
Come go in.
Amen.
I pray that.
What?
I pray that.
What that?
I say I'm not come to church, you know. Cause that is not a prayer.
What? Prayer is prayer. You need blessing. You need God. I think...
What is two box? I not prayer that.
What do you call it?
Me don't know where just a while ago.
Anyway, you good enough.
Me backside. Wait.
How are you?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man that?
I'm a tidy man. I'm a tidy man.
You alright?
I'm a tidy man.
You alright?
I'm a tidy man for my sister. I'm a tidy man for my sister.
Right.
I'm a tidy man. Me say, girl. But say, you know this, you know, man. Me say, whenever any day me find money, man, you know, me stop spend money. You know what I'm saying? Me stop spend money. Me not like spend money. Me
And you think that you not like spend money, me
say-
get it. As a matter of fact, how much money you have? Cause girl, me not have no money, you know. Me not have money to that. Me not have no money to that. Me not work with much.
Me tell you the truth, me not have money. You see the power? When me go on a road, go buy, I tell you me buy out of money. Me not buy out of money for you.
So you can buy one Arizona for me.
Girl.
You get ten so.
Me will try see if Arizona can come out of it. Probably can come out of it.
Me want Arizona. Me not ask if you too tan bad more while to you know.
So it hard to spend money, you know, it hard to get money. Me think it hard to spend money. Me want to have money man right now. You
Girl.
know, man.
Relax. We need to find out how we are going to see what me have here. 350. Me not nothing more.
Well, me see how much money me have. Me see I have 5, 6.
You have more money than me, Kayla, so you can't use it buy something.
Me go buy the Arizona.
Oh.
Me go buy the Arizona.
I mean, they didn't plan to spend mine.
Okay. Sir, me can get one Arizona and one power, please.
You better, because I don't have money.
You have money, you just don't like spend your money.
You not like it either, so I don't want you nothing. How much you them there?
580.
$580.
Yeah. That means I have money left back, girl. You have fruit bag juice, miss?
Yeah.
We can get... You want one?
Yeah, more one.
We can get 2 of them, please. And... Who wants to eat?
Anything else? $580 for them?
You can buy some to eat.
You want the one with the ice?
Yes, one with the ice.
I want the one with the ice.
Give me
Give me one with the ice. Move. I think money I buy that. Right.
Thank you. Let me get one Pepsi. You know what about this? Let me get the Pepsi. How much is Pepsi? $200.
Oh, you get to eat, Kayla. Who want to eat? No one no snack?
Yes, buy some banana chips or something. Put a $50 on it.
How much your tortilla chips, miss?
130.
You can't buy it.
But give me 2 of them.
You want the pepper one?
No, regular.
I want the pepper one.
Are you see a saltfish?
Yeah.
Come here, we need to leave right here, so.
260.
260. Here. Thank you, miss. Alright, come on. How much money you have left?
I'm about my money. I'm about my money. I'm about my money.
I bet.
About my money.
But I'm sorry.
You still think about my money? I'm spend more on my money.
That would you watch money too much.
But still I think.
Nice girl. Oh, I'm taking a front to my back. You look nice though, man. Like. Alright. Can you road me and go on so I can't pass it?
Excuse me, two color here. You don't see me? You don't see me?
I see about see what draw me attention and this a thick girl that should
Kayla,
nice. Huh?
you need to
So look for my Magdalene body, my sexy body. I look for shoes to pick up a rise and yeah? You don't see me? You don't see my body?
Are they friend that you have?
You don't see my body?
Oh,
and him a run competition.
We run competition. No, tell me it. Every time I go up on the road, everybody, fluffy, sexy body, fluffy. Our.
Right, so look.
Let me tell you what happened, Kayla. You're not blossom yet. You're still in your teenage body. Just relax.
I can't talk to you.
Yeah, sure.
I want to get to know you.
This serious.
You ever come and approach you, man, still, you know.
Oh, man.
Every time you want to get to know people. Don't. And the favorite line that. I'm afraid of you, man.
Favorite line, but you look nice, real.
I try best big, make you want to try belly big. You show them what she have and me not have. Come here, bosom, me know.
She have a thick body, me like it thick cause them, I want to.
Kayla, go and sit down and relax now.
Listen, she thick a thin.
Relax.
So what wrong with thin? Thin is good.
Thin has not served long, want to thick.
Hello, I'm not telling me can do, she can do. So
Kayla, stop compare yourself to me, girl.
No, man, me say can't tell that every single time, every single time. Fluffy this, fluffy that.
Hold on.
So,
yeah, what you say now?
I said we can't get my number and get.
No.
You know what? Sure, me give you my number. Just because the way she behave, and I case me want you, you know, sir. Because you know, ever come and me you like this that it's not about money. And the money me talk about because when you go down deep in a relationship with woman, you turn on become the worst set of people them.
No, some other than type of person, you know.
Anything you say, just because of your behavior, me go take your number. Come in and know why you behave like that.
Put it in your phone now.
Stop it, you can't compare yourself to me. Me and your auntie.
Me and father compare myself.
Alright, Trey.
You can call me Dante here.
Alright, me give a call or anything.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm phone for me door right now.
You don't embarrassing.
Dirty foot man there you want.
You just always embarrassing.
No push me, man. Don't push me. Don't push me. Oh. Me no know why you.
What your problem, Kayla? You can't just make me shine low, me no.
You don't shine already?
Me not even want the man. So me no know you go on so far.
The amount of man you have money, you know. Me like to know how much whole land that there, so you can't take so much one time.
I'm not taking them, my love.
So what you do?
Boops in them, there's a difference. Me not take them.
So you couldn't make me get a one day?
I mean, look him. If he did one, he would have come after you, Kayla. What happened to you?
No, you know the reason I never see me because when you're big, you're the black me because me maga. So because you're big, you're the black me.
I know, me make you yam.
Me a eat, me just don't want big like you. Why me want big like you?
Kayla, me in a back and forth with us. Stop do that. Stop embarrass me.
Will I embarrass you?
Your man will come.
No.
You will come.
No. You embarrass your own self. You embarrass your own self. Boy, you want a man. Every time you want a man, you go on the road, you want a man. We can want so much man.
Who a man?
Eh? Who? You. You could have given the man if you could have said, I have my man.
I will you behave. Make me give me number.
Me have a beer so come can tell that every time you want. You want too much money, you have a whole under you. You will soon done out and stretch out and long out and the tongue soon drop from everybody else.
God give me one for use it and I hit me and do me use it. I want you have an issue? What your problem? Wait until a man look you. You get like, and that's why they not look because you're too fussy.
I'm not fussy.
No man, no one nobody push up on them.
Me not push up on the man. Actually, they too big, making man couldn't see me. I'm not tell you, you're too big.
You can't just go somewhere.
No, you know what?
Every day I see
you know what? Me I go left it alone. I go left you alone. Me I go left you alone.
One.
Me say,
one.
You're on the last straw until my mouth slip like a butter. Watch.
That with you.
Watch.
That with you.
Just watch.
Just big and
watch.
annoying.
Just watch.
Why should I talk about butter?
Chiffon.
Oh.
Chiffon butter she talk about. Chiffon.
Oh.
Yeah, chiffon butter.
She ain't enough.
Yeah. Wait, so you can't give me enough?
Every time you come here, it's all about the money.
But remember, say me have to get doctor and deal with my stomach. Remember to tell us it hurt me. You like I mean a pain and all the time like me need to hear me for God doctor.
No, listen me. I tell you, say you have to go stop eat too much time. You eat too much fatty food, no good for you. I tell you, when me didn't know you, yeah, well, this small, medium body, but you're large now.
Oh, so now you thought this
No.
You know what? Just because me ask you for a little help, for God doctor for my belly right now, as me sit down, you say pure pain me now. You come and discriminate me, not like man with answer. Me I leave you alone, you know.
Don't say that, baby.
Me I leave you alone because you don't treat me good, not all. Me think I money I can't give it for me. Take care of me so much.
I'm not me care, come, baby. Relax now. Alice, hear me, no. Oh, hear me, no. No, like, come. Oh, God, man. Yeah. Buy machine. And jar 50 grand off it.
50!
Alright. 100. Because me well want you carry picnic for me, you know. Me well want you carry you to me. So why you fix up yourself.
I can buy some for myself too. Some clothes for a fashion.
You're just a bad years of...
My clothes never get tight.
Tight, because you yam too much. You yam backside too much.
Why you discriminate me? Me I leave you alone. Take my get things.
Alright, baby, alright.
Me I leave.
Alright, buy clothes.
Okay.
Buy clothes. So when I see you.
Me I will come check you one day.
From me know you. A 2 times you ever come on my yard. The first time you jump off, say too hot. Me not even barely get at 1 minute in it. You're bad. Wait. Pain and the wide. Me not understand.
That's why me got to go deal with my belly. Me tell her say belly I'm the problem.
The second time now, me finally in the yes and say, yeah, me I go swim now with me Jones. You know, come back and check me. You tell me, say, you need a problem, make too much water, Lego. Me John.
You're going like a film for no skirt, that idiot. You don't know skirt.
Renzo!
You know what?
Lord of God, me say the next morning, me go to my yard. You rank.
A squirt, that you call squirt.
Next time, me see no woman do that, me a beard same time before
you say, keep it up, keep on discriminate me, so me I leave you alone.
No, baby, no.
Me I gonna leave you alone, so
right.
keep on talk about me.
Where you say me I see again?
Me not have to care about that car there, right?
Hello. Just remember the address, please.
Me not carrying it back. If me have to care back, me done with you.
Alright, keep it, baby, keep it.
No.
Okay.
Alright, later.
Love you, yeah?
Yeah.
Good old sexy body. I'm sorry you not lose. You need to lose a couple more pounds.
Just leave now. Right now my belly hurt me, you irritate me. Leave, man. Just go on. You always hurt my feelings.
So why when...
Just go on.
So my money is not enough?
Me call you when me calm down because you hurt my feelings. Go on.
As the Shalom say, everybody have to come down. You better make sure you don't come down, you know. You make sure you stand up with me in a relationship. Don't make me have to call I Shalom to make you come down too.
You want me done now? You done now?
No, baby.
You done now? Me say go on, just go along, go on. Because every time you come and discriminate me, I just...
My money not worth it. My money...
See, take it back. Mwah.
Creepy.
Later.
Later.
Yeah, me I call you.
Love you.
Love you too.
Hope you're pregnant before time, you know? Want the son. Love you. Oh boy.
Pregnant, me backside. Cool too. Guys. Yeah, I see what she have. Cause, I'm not joke.
Oh, God.
Yeah, as a ticker, as something have a swing. What happened to you? Where you come from?
So why you have flash the card in my face for?
Money! I want to you.
And that's why you soon lose your life because you love too much money. All I think about is money.
You never say nothing, because you pray for one money man and can't get one.
No, girl. At least beg of one money man, I want money man, not two and like you.
Anyways,
I have 3, 4, 5, 6 of them.
No, top nice, no. Just come check me and look at my order. Yeah, make up pick it up. My brand new white suit set. Yeah, I'm gonna mash up the road later.
You feel like you want to buy some board and some fix up your house. You say your house look like it already done. You feel like you want to buy one no chair. You feel like you want.
You're catching it though.
Because me can't do better.
Please, me see have so much.
Because me can't do better. Me see me have money. Me not have no money. And you will get the money, me not take your money put to use. You feel like you want to fix up your bathroom now.
My bathroom alright.
No, it's a leak. You know say it's a leak.
No worries, and just because I put that in my head now.
You know what? You feel like you want to clean up your house and then something there. When you get the money, you feel like you want to spend the money for your house.
You can't talk bad man.
Huh? Spend the money for your body and lose some weight. You feel like you want to go pay for one gym specialist. So if you work out your body, you feel like you want to do that. You feel like you want to do that. All the money I do is all the clothes.
Get them, I go get the work.
Make me turn bad man. Make me turn bad man. But you gotta pick up your stuff. You gotta pick up your stuff.
Not time for you.
No, you think so the man.
After me did say me I go buy nice here all time money. And this and that disrespect they give me.
Me no want when bad bless not take care can't take me.
What you say?
Every day you get up about man this, man that. No, wait till somebody boops out you. Wait till somebody buck you. Every day you get up, I jazz them big like every day you get up and talk about man this, man that. Man. Man, if you go build up your house, fix up your place, man, you talk about man. Sick and tired of you, man.
Pull up.
Where you do, Peso?
Where you do, Peso?
Ja, my family of Peso, I introduce you to them, so where you do here?
Oh, remember now for true, you know. You know, say, at some work, I come to do one and down to my head to go do some work.
Okay.
Me have to tell you the truth.
What that you say? Make sure.
So you could tell me, say, I go there, Peso?
I have removed me, make me have to tell you?
No, not really.
Okay.
Alright, let me see who come home, eh?
Alright.
Watch out.
I mean, you just look good overall, every bit.
I know.
Love that.
Girl, come here, man. Come over here, so.
You know what auntie mean? Who you think you talk to, son?
You me a talk to. Come over here, so.
B, do me a favor. Go on inside. Here, me so come.
Watch here.
Every chance you get with your damn long string bean looking body, you try to embarrass me. Yeah, what? You think that me a size?
You come like a whore. You just know the man, you boom, the camera in your yard.
So, after me yard, I catch you don't have no right to tell me what to do. You can't tell that. You see, want you. You have to look of respect.
How are your vagina? Tabit you? You can't, if you control it, you want too much man.
I say you can't get none.
I can get man, I just don't want your type of man. Your type of man is
when him did
man.
Look me now. Remember say when him did look me now. You did a fight over
I was overreacting.
You gonna have manners to me. Me your auntie. No, you mate.
First they look a whore himself. Every day you come and cover your yard. Pum must hurt you too much.
Shanti.
What going to go?
What are you doing, sir?
I link my family them run this way now.
Oh, your auntie up so?
So I go and you
A
go.
long time I didn't see you doing that. Boy.
Oh God.
Me
You know,
long time I didn't see you, man.
there, man. So
I get
everything.
more nice. I don't think you know get taller.
Jeez, you don't feel like me with that? But you don't know.
Yeah, man.
Say it that way. So you're good though.
Yeah, me just there go and easy. So I go down the road and I run a boat up on my yard.
Wow.
And I get some season and
You still doing something there?
What you mean? Everybody, me know me is a man, me like cook myself, you know.
Alright.
So me have to do my thing for my place. So, how things with you? Everything alright?
Yeah, man, everything good. So go and take it easy.
Yeah, I have to do that in about a long time. You want to tell us I've been on carry out still.
Oh.
You know, say, me and you close already, but
Yeah.
you now give me the opportunity.
Yeah, but I meet a man already. Meet a man already.
And somebody attack.
Yeah. Meet a man already.
Yeah, and we live together. And you know when they know and what am I do.
Yeah, I'm just that I'm saying I'm gonna
Listen to me. I was a side man one time, and me can tell you say you can't trust them manner. Uno too, we can't trust uno too, but I say you go. But that the man there, you don't know when they no wanna feel up and what am I do, you know. But you know me is a loyal youth. Because we are growth, one so come up. Don't? You know me if you get a chance.
But why you never said that earlier on? Why you wait till we in a relationship you come and say this now? Why you never
I didn't know you in a
earlier?
relationship. I'm been a show you sign, but you never there. You never there look my way.
Well, there's nothing I can do right now.
So you can't give me the chance, you hear me?
But if me give you the chance, me get any problem, suppose him find out.
Run with him. You know me is a loyal youth for me and the one for we destined to each other. Me can tell you that when we look like come up. Me I watch you, but you not watch me.
I can't do that. But anyway, give me a number.
So if you know, alright, take my number.
Da, we are good friends, so therefore I'm supposed to have your number. Suppose me want call you and hail you up and be
True.
things. My number.
Tell you boy.
My number.
Oh, to make me a lose folk. 804
804
3977.
77. Alright, I call here.
Make sure you call me now.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Tell the boy a long time if you have broke this in. Jesus Christ.
Pa? Hello, me need to talk to you.
Talk to him, Baba.
I know say, me no see you know.
Come
I
on,
feel
babe.
woman, your mouth very big and very loud.
So what you need to talk to him?
Ask me, how you run go? Ask me and say, how we think that we are run up Olympics? Because they say me a cock me ears and hair, you know. But you could have ease up little pressure, cause little mouse you kill her. I say she big.
Then I see you.
Me keep on a tell you, Kayla. Me keep on a tell you. Me are your auntie, not your mate. Stop size up with me, little girl.
Probably for that behave like an auntie.
Anyway,
Will I get
Your
auntie?
name's just up in here business.
and then there's everything she does in her.
You know, so I see one shoes that I like though, if you tell you the truth.
Say no money can buy.
You know, my card with me.
For yourself, man. See card there. See that card there?
Yeah.
See that card there? For yourself, me I'll get it for
Oh,
buy you know.
auntie of the ear. Me want something too.
You offer you already and you say no want it.
No, I know me feel like say me want. You know have a feeling that we don't want nothing, you have a feeling we don't want something. I know me want.
Tell me, like, you make me get it.
You want it now?
Sure, no problem.
Alright.
Where you go?
Me want the
Everywhere you
shoes.
go, she have to go back here.
Me want shoes too. Probably I want a handbag.
Yo, me can't, me no know. Let me take
you
you
don't
up.
You can't buy me some. You can't buy me some braid. Want to do me hair? Want a new hairstyle?
No.
You already have money.
No.
Me I come. Me want
Me
shoes.
not
and
no
things.
money, me broke. Come on, be.
I wanna go left me. What's that?
I'm a little bit.
I don't know where you are go.
Let me say, every problem.
Trey?
Be my sister.
Sister?
Yes,
Sister. Yeah. Come on here.
Me, my sister. Okay. Me understand.
Okay, what? I sister.
Yeah, idiot. As big as you be, you're too full. You know, see plus something else. He said, me, my sister. You know, see it?
Yeah, I sister.
Yeah, idiot. Yeah, idiot. Are you one of your man? He never said me woman and me sister. He said me sister. Which one is my sister? Which one is my sister?
Come on.
Every day you play man and no man I play you idiot.
I sister.
Sister where? Yeah, so say your sister.
Press me. Me say I'm man sister.
Sister?
No way I tap.
But I remember.
Tap it nice.
You know, I had me a come on.
Come do a.
Come. My card, you know, don't know this.
I know, got doctor.
Yeah, so something, sir.
Huh?
Yeah, so something. Me sure to get here saying, no true. You full of sense, right?
Yeah.
If you want a man, right? You know me ask him something. You want a man.
Right.
And you say two women sit there, right? You walk with one and one come meet, right?
Right.
And you say, my sister. What do you think that mean?
Meaning that I something. Come and say, meet my sister.
Alright, I think I'm here to lead that.
No, I said boyfriend, that thing boyfriend though.
Your boyfriend, oh God.
Your man, my boyfriend with.
Your boyfriend really wicked.
Really wicked.
Can I step aside?
No woman couldn't do me that. No woman could never say meet me brother.
No woman could never.
Could never.
Never. Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
You have to come down.
Big up yourself.
Come down like.
You're bad
Alright,
like that.
that's enough.
You're bad like that. You're bad like that.
Step aside. Me soon come deal with you.
So we can get my card, please.
Me anytime she no
Listen
want
me.
it back.
You tell me say you link me last night. You don't link me last time. I don't like that.
Remember say me no got doctor. I know how me feel link you.
So you want to tell me say me can't even.
They don't even want more money. And this is what the panic card. Well, if panic card can't work. You can't tap up a little bit for me.
So we have tell Ice, you know. No matter what me give you, me still can't open back the cookie jar.
You go get two, but you have to make me go doctor go deal with my son. Tell some my stomach have a serious right now. Me now holy.
Me feel like somebody else a go there because me not have nothing big like a gigantic. For you have gas and everything.
I accuse them come accuse me now. I tell me say me a cheat pan you. I that with uno man. Every time I get one good woman, always I do no foolishness.
The first time you go there, you jump off and say, hi, hot. That the time you can tell, say, he did twice. But the second time, I don't.
Me tell you already say squirt, me squirt. What your problem?
So under your big. You see how me there one about under you? No one man a talk the truth.
Go on.
No one man a talk the truth.
Go on, Kayla, go on.
No one man a talk the truth.
So you tell me I tell me say me.
You listen to me. You think nobody can go under me and say I need the big? Nobody could never. Nobody can tell me that with the power road.
Cause every time I tell you go embarrass me because of people.
Get a break.
Let me tell you something. If you're not about embarrass, me never embarrass you.
Yes, I'm big.
Or your own knees are embarrass you.
You say me big.
I was trying to say they are big. Me or you? I used to under them big.
I never
I say they swim. You say they swim.
Baby, me never say you're big. Me say you're John. Me
because under them.
Yeah, apologize with words. We don't want to get that. You can't be quiet.
I can't believe this.
That's why it rain for you. And I couldn't
you're pissed for a man now?
You really believe
so me? No, you see true. You rev too much and you think. Squirt not supposed to smell.
I mean by my rev too much because I only 2 times I get it.
That me mean. You rev out it too much.
2 little time I get?
Yes. You hurt me and me want God doctor.
Alright. My chance for more money to your card. Anyway.
How much more?
Just 120. What makes you link me tonight?
Sure.
Yeah, baby.
How much more?
You link me tonight?
20?
Yeah, you link me
that
tonight?
little bit. You can't put for more.
You haven't put 10 more on it.
One man like you. One man was smart and just one man like you. You're so smart.
Put 160 on your hand. Just tap up.
Alright, 40.
60.
60. Alright. Love you.
Yeah, love it too. Come over here, so I don't want to get hurt.
I love causes, you know. Love causes. Alright, my boss, it's love.
I eat that in this castle. We can't hear over the night.
My top boy idiot chop a pass it. That is say. He say idiot chop a pass with. That is.
Anyway.
Put your 70 now.
Listen, my man.
You have no brother.
It's put your 70.
Put your 70.
Don't touch me, man, girl.
Girl, me I do why I do for you get more money, cause I realize say I do I know me I pick up the tips them. Put your 70.
Put your 70 now.
Alright, 80 baby, just take 80.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, as I reach home,
Yes.
As I reach home.
Big quick and fast. I want to buy some things too.
Later,
I want to buy some things.
I'll call you. As I reach them, I'll call you.
Yes.
Make sure you link tonight too.
She have a link tonight.
Just make sure you send the money as a right now. As a matter of fact, just transact.
Hurry up, I want to buy some new clothes.
Me tonight.
Just transact, you know.
Want some clothes.
Send half first.
Alright, baby.
Alright, love you. Later.
Hello, transact for me now. Come, you want my money now. Move.
You chat too much. You chat too much. See you soon, that girl.
Me a see it.
See the suit here, I'm going to tell us I'm going to buy. Oh, look.
It look good enough. The suit look good enough, but it don't look good for you. I let my button here. What am I for? I let my whole hole. You see them a whole hole I look, I see your whole look. What am I whole hole for? What take it off, it don't look good for you. It don't look good for me. If me that agree, if it don't look good for me, it don't look good for you.
What that's supposed to mean?
Me say it don't look good for you, go take it off. It don't look good.
Clothes. I my nice clean clothes to see outside.
My nice clean clothes. Jealous of what?
Jealous of that.
You want to come out? Look on tongue.
Stop.
Look on the dress. Look on the dress. Look on the dress. Look on the dress.
Can't stop it.
What
you
girl?
Me suffer.
You need to go take off this kind of look good for you.
It look good for me whether you like it, yes or no.
No, I like it and I want one.
That's why I need to go buy one for yourself. Go look at work, do something. But don't bad mind me just call me look better than you.
My girl, you don't look better than me no day no time.
You want
your
what
wish.
have. And that
no, girl.
Happen.
This is not yours. You buy it online. You buy it online.
You sell me white.
Sell which white? Your white done sell already. But what the button them for? Oh! Me know why you button up. You try button up your hole. Show the man tell us I must swim. You try button it up. Then my button you not go work it. You need to
this is called fashion. They know real.
Fashion. Well, the fashion don't look good for you. Get it for me. That look good for my nice modeling body.
Who forget it for you?
My girl. Tapping else, cause I know me not tell him man them say you take them to them like idiot.
And you don't have no right at any day name dear. You make your head take you and tell you make him and then give me my money. And straight problem between me and you. Every time I tell you, you take a little bad mind weird.
Every time you come you want talk at me for me not afraid of you. Me not afraid of you. Are you afraid of me? I mean can't end your life, you know.
Me your auntie, you know.
You don't act like an auntie, act like a friend. We are besties.
Stop touch my clothes.
Your clothes don't. You know I'm saying no because I like it, but take off your button them man. Take off your button them, button up. Then they can't hold up your hole.
Bad mind.
Bad mind what? Then they cannot. Yeah, they try to hold up your hole and your hole now hold up. Yes, they say now hold up. Put the button them under, they get some button up panty.
Every time they decide something.
And you know say something name Jim? All of your belly fat. Go to the gym or turn your yard and do some. No, stop your belly. Glide up on your belly and put your foot in the air. Do something, man. Do something. What the man they really sip on you?
Exactly.
What is sip on you?
Me not do all of that and you do all of that and
girl,
you still can't get that. That's why you're bad man.
Me did naturally born sexy.
Me
born with the flat tumor.
Skin and bone is not sexy, my love. Flesh is sexy.
Girl.
Not skin and bone. Only a real man can handle the curves. Only a boy can handle a straight line. And that's what you are. A straight line, Kayla. That's why you keep on be envious of me. As a matter of fact, you know I'm not gonna keep on and go back and forth with you. The only thing you have is total jealousy. Me pay attention to it. Me your auntie. Imagine mean? When me just get the little money, pan the card, when me turn to you, I say, you want something, you turn to me, yeah, this, that, rare. Me, I try to do this to me and you. How you name? How you name? Then me, carry food in here.
You see food we're providing there, so me don't know where you get the money from.
Oh.
I know me and you not do nothing.
But you're near me. You're near me, Kayla.
But I never meet you if you don't meet a girl and a boop so man. Wait till one man start boops you. Wait till it's happened to you.
Enough of this now. You have too much jealousy in your girl.
Me not jealous. I could never jealous of you. Jealous of you?
Jealous of me.
Me could never jealous of you. You're tough like. Me not jealous of you.
Me tough. Are you ever looking at the mirror?
Girl, me know say me maga. Nothing what you say can't be done.
Kayla, you're not mager. You are bony. There's a difference.
Okay. Bony me can't take your man. Actually, me don't want your man there. Tell her that. Bony me got it all.
I have curves. You have a straight line.
All you have is be a fat. Be a fat. Be a fat when you want lose and can't lose. Something you should have my body. You think you should have my body. You're just big and chubby. Big chubby. Big chubby anti-alien. Big chubby anti-alien.
Your favor the plot them in your hair. You come fast with me.
Make my plot them stay.
You know what?
International plot them here.
My man is coming over and I can't afford for him to come here and see me acting ratchet just because of you. And me gone in Kayla, me can't bother with you.
Fool like. Nah, no sense. Me no try to do the button name. Go put by some button panty man. Sit me stomach. Watch that one here. Watch that one here. Me need to talk to you. Come here. Me really and truly need to talk to you. No. Oh, to all of the man them, what she have?
What?
Out of all of the people, out of the man them, I know she did before you, right? I am the smartest. I see your boobs are turn her in a heat, turn her in a clone.
No, I'm not boobs.
You think you're smart? I think me fool. You call my sister, but see what me, my sister. You think you could have that to me? And never me, you do that too. They do that too. Would have flare up and lick up all the headpiece, you know.
But me tell her to meet my sister.
You never say, alien baby, meet my sister. Never say that. You say, meet my sister. Who you try fool? Who you try fool?
Not fool nobody.
You try to take off idiot. Me no say no sister, you know. I say if you don't want me, go look for your other sisters coming into you and talk and tell her. You have to give me some money. So you see my sister in there, so just go in there and tell her say you want the cat because she go and give it.
So now your auntie can't take the money from your auntie?
Me no want it so. Me no want it so. When you go in there and rub her down or do what you do to get the money and carry the cat when the cat no want.
A problem.
What she will give you, she not give me.
A problem I try put.
No problem that. Go in there and work it. Work it. When you work it, you give me the money. So you work, you understand? You get what I say? Go in there so she eat that fish, she a clone. If you don't do it, me they go take up me little maga. As you can to share no maga, me maga. I bone me little bony body. And go look for the other woman, come tell her. You me go for your sister, can't you both sister? Me go for your sister, come show your sister. Where you do over here?
Well, your son evil though.
Who's son evil?
You.
Who's son evil? What you do is evilness. Having two women at the same time. You think that evil? You come. Money, my want. I'm not talk about. Hurry up. Oh, sister, meet me sister. Meet the money, so. Oi. You should not go so too. She here, so go and say, meet the money. And carry the card come.
I just get the money.
The card, wait about money. Card, me want.
You like card?
Move in front of me and go for the card. Move in front of me, man. You must see idiot. Hurry up. Hurry up, man. You wait too long. Make it take so long. Jesus.
So I'm gonna have to talk to her first.
Give me.
Wait now. Listen to me. My hand is going there now. So don't you no spend whole heap, you know? Don't spend whole heap, little bit.
Yeah, little bit. I know the limit.
I'll be up and come back before me left her, so.
That's why when you work, take a time and work then. Yeah, little bit. We know the limit. Little bit. Little bit.
You know?
Me not do that, man. Little bit, yeah, man.
Christ, no problem.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. You see me where your face? Oh, Friday is 30.
Yeah, what?
That 2 color here, boy. Ayawa.
That's my boyfriend.
Oh, we didn't know, man. We didn't know. So you see, the fluffy girl, what did they with her? Our sister.
Okay.
That's make us family.
Oh, we're
Yes.
family. Okay.
We're family.
Yes. Yeah.
One big happy family.
Well, nice to meet you.
So I your boyfriend, right?
Yeah.
How long now not talk?
About 2 years.
Oh, 2 years. Oh my God. So I was she buying that no. You don't know when they like how your money know your man there.
Nobody's probably on the road somewhere hanging out with friends. I don't know.
You don't think if you put one check up on him?
Why? He never give me a reason to.
Probably true you hear them. You see true you hear them too small. You not really pick up what I do around the area.
Hold on. Is there something you need to tell me?
No. But I tell you say watch your man careful because all men are dogs.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks for the advice.
Yes.
Hey, Taga.
Yeah, dear sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, dear sir.
What's up?
Why me?
I'm just
Why
coming.
me cancel lucky?
Good.
Yeah.
Well, what a coincidence, man, like that again. You see? See me, I tell you?
Excuse me. What's your name?
Toga.
Toga. Hi, I'm Kayla. She have a man?
As me I say.
She have a man. You feel like you want to look my way, me not nobody, she has somebody. Look my way.
I know her for a long time.
No.
Yeah, we're friends.
No, me now. No, me now.
Hey, relax. I know your time. Wait now. As me I say. That's coincidence.
Excuse me. Miss, I'm did tap you first. Please go on. Please go on. I'm did tap you.
Me text her, yeah?
Okay.
Alright.
Please go on.
Mama, why is so jumpy?
Hello. I look you. I want anything. Me see I want, me must get it. You don't understand me? You don't get what I say?
So me can be a push a card for me, so
because I have a card.
Mama, long time for me rate, I say.
She have her man.
She have her man.
Yeah, me I don't say she have her man. But me not have nobody.
Him can go where me go so boom.
No. You see, me nobody now go so boom. Me not nobody.
Alright, give me a number.
Huh?
Give me a number.
No. While ago, when your cup of tea did it right, you say, you know, you never have no eyes to me, but now she gone. You got eyes to me. Huh? Now she gone, you eye for me?
Oh,
and that with no dirty man now. So you see her, you did it, look her. Yeah, look her.
Me don't know you when me come see her, when me know
try if you know me. You know that she have her man and you still a look her. Why could you so dirty? There are women out there like me, what is single, you know.
Listen me, I am a very determined man.
You see if I want me?
Anything me want, me I go for it.
Go for me then. But wait, you see this here? You see this? Me have a card. You know that makes me an independent lady. So if you want, no.
Let me see that.
No. So if you want me.
No, let me have a look on that.
So focus on my card. Focus on.
You sure that is a bank card?
It's a bank card. It got money on it. Me soon show you. Listen to me, I'm mine. You understand? I'm an independent lady, okay?
Good.
Listen to me now. Is that okay? So if you want me, I buy one big Benz. Big beast. One can skate on the tool. You can't walk on look nice, good body me. I don't want to come with you put something to the table. So I want a big Benz, a big beast, big car. One can skate on the tool. You know want push up me in life and I'm elevate. You pick up me as a walk foot, you know want to give me something better. For me to walk.
I was on a journey going that way and I'm gonna continue going that way. Big up yourself, yeah?
What you mean?
Bless
You nobody want me?
Bless
me give me number. Come. Hurry up now.
I have no money to buy no car, you know.
Hello. You there look woman. If you say when you look woman want things. You can't go look woman with a long dirty hand.
No, the car park gone too far.
No.
You even like you have a house yourself. You want
and that's so if you buy me a car. And then if you buy me a car first. Then you feel
invest your money.
When business I go the next 5 years from now the business fail. Next time I know the business fail. Buy me a car, then you build me a nice big mansion, then a hotel after that. Everything me want. You look woman you better got money. You see me bro? You come, you come, you meet me broke, you want to leave me broke. What you want to do? You come like me auntie?
Car go get.
Yes. Car me want.
Together and get the car.
No, and that's how this thing work. My aunt, if I one thing my auntie teach me, send on the car first, then we work after. Right.
So we work together.
No! Send the car come first. You think my auntie not teach me? Right. You want to come and feed that? And books you want books me, it not work. Come here. Alright.
You alright?
No.
You know like where you be
I just my niece every day I get up with some sort of problems so now.
Why?
How will you get back?
Wait, girl, you have to go shopping.
Oh, you go shopping and you say no money.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Girl, me don't know what you are doing, but me a shop and me a spend money without using it. So.
Me not give me card. Me not give me card. What me card?
I think. Oh, see, Tabby's in my back pocket.
What you worry about it?
So you get money?
What? Girl.
Where you get money from?
Girl, you know what my auntie? You.
Yeah, but that not means.
That's what means me I learn the trade. Me I learn the trade, but me do it smart. Me smarter than you know, cause me not use don't you so none talk if nobody tell me so them I swear more. Me use my hand and my mouth and talk and collect.
You me talk about disrespect with you now.
What kind of thing?
This look for me back, girl. Me gosh, girl. I'm going to show you how me not tan bad mind. Yes, leave it alone.
That's something me used to still. So,
girl, 30 grand me spending your time up.
So, Kayla, who give you $30,000?
Girl, no worry about that.
30 grand.
30 grand. Girl, me excited.
And then me say,
me excited, girl.
I'm on diet.
Leave me alone, my love. Now watch the bag. Actually, now everybody in the neighborhood don't notice nothing. So you have to keep it under quiet.
You know what, Chan?
30,000.
30,000 plus only like 20 grand I spend.
I know little money.
So what the 50,000 that you spend?
Girl,
where you get money from?
Girl, I'm gonna tell you already. I'm gonna tell you again. You know what, my auntie Alian will learn the trade, but me do it better than you. I'm gonna show you how. Come out.
And like most times she talk, she just talk foolishness.
Focus on me now. And it's true, me go up on the road. I'm not too selfish. I'm not too bad mind. Me got something. Me get something for you. Silence for you. So you know,
give me that for me.
Use it and wipe up your vagina.
Oh, Vanguard, one. Now that would you every time you come back on this.
I love you,
auntie. Right. More toilet paper.
What kind of things that you have? What makes you disrespect like that?
I said, me don't know 1 3 minutes. Me don't know which man sorry for him and buy him. Look at him and go and
she get toilet paper.
So me can't stand, yo. Every time I that you do not disrespect me. Can't take this no more. Sure.
Come on,
one, just one. Where's the boobs?
Where you call me?
Boobs. My boobs low.
No, I don't like a name there. Me don't like it. Me don't like it at all.
Why you not like it, my chula loops?
When you say books, it sound like your books. You know.
No, babes. I just want nice way for me say babes. Instead of me say babes, babe, I can't say boobs. My boobs, see? My boobs. Yeah, it come off of me, roll off of my tongue nice. So what you say, for me?
Roll off of your what?
My tongue nice. My boobs.
You know, you can't style me small. Anyway, me I come a while ago and I see Avala come out of that area. I know you can come look for.
Them something I can't bother with. But cannot take this. It is a lane.
Well, I'm a driver on the phone. What go on my driver? Alright, my driver. It's supposed to be ready. Just pick her up and drop her off a minute. Me up a yard, yeah. Up at the 16 yard. Yeah, mama can call her and make you pick her up right now. Alright.
Me boopsie.
If you call me one more boopsie.
What you gonna do? Cause anyhow, you raise your voice too hard that I mean, you can leave me yard. You can leave. Cause me plan to treat you good today, no. Remember.
Oh.
Remember, so me plan to treat you good today.
Okay.
Oh, so to raise a voice, if you're bad,
Right.
go on.
Anyway, what the man do?
Alien, this name Leon. I'm the only woman living. I'm the only person living in Alien house.
Oh. You understand.
So what your problem? You're too jealous and fool.
I'm jealous. We can't spend money and other man enjoy your cooking.
So anyways, where you care for me?
That's how happy me care for you and say you want to happy. So when buy them we then rob me, $1,000 for this. $1,000.
Aki, you look hot. You look at me. Aki, come give me. Aki. For me pick and stain up my fingernail and them look at something there.
Let me tell you something. No.
Raise your voice. Continue.
Yeah, raise the voice.
Okay.
I love you. But let me tell you something now. It's when you come out to hacking, don't diss it.
Me not this the Aki, but at the end of the day, you could have cook. You could have get it cook with some dumpling or something and can't give me. Who tell us that me can't cook?
Hello. Do not this what go in my belly because you are the Aki favor. The head part of the Aki favor you, the other part favor white people.
Oh, so you decide to disrespect me today. Yeah, this is you know what come in there, so. And I in there say you want come. Don't touch me, you know? Do not touch me. Me favor Aki.
No.
Yes, me favor Aki.
Me favor Aki.
Me favor Aki.
Me favor Aki, baby.
Aki, I want me favor.
No, me favor Aki.
Me favor Aki, man. Don't touch me, no. Don't touch me. After I'm ready for invite. How much more?
Okay. I feel like we can breathe.
No, you can't get it unless you go on your knee, apologize and send me the money.
Me? We have the money. To stoop so low to your condition? No. Hold on, my driver call me. You hold it. Yes,
you hold it. Okay.
Hold on, let me call her. I got here the way you call me at the time and I remember to WhatsApp me and call her. No way. I'm not talking about going to call nobody. Call me the pound case now. You want this way going on my belly. If you come on to food that going on my belly, don't run for it. Do not run for it.
That means you don't want none of this.
I love you.
You don't want none of this. You say if I tell a shake, you don't want none of this. You realize I'm lock my door? Go up on your knees. Send me the money and apologize and you will be invited.
So go up on my knees?
Yeah, go up on your knees.
Send me the money.
And say I'm sorry. Yes.
No ramp with me?
No, you get it.
No ramp with me?
You get it.
Me might look soft but me not simple.
You get it.
Okay. I am sorry, my fluffy diva.
Send me the money.
Okay. The power pum pum.
Yeah.
We send it now, baby.
You send it?
Yeah, but right.
Hold on, just hold on. Hold on. Sit down out here. Sit down. Yeah. Sit down, wait.
Now wait, yeah?
Papi Show, you out here? You still out here, Papi Show?
I was trying to know.
Me not on phone, so me not know. So funny time. Me hear you out here so.
No.
Till all my auntie come in, come learn and just sleep and a draw truck. You know Chuck?
Draw with Chuck.
When Chuck let out ear. And they go
And you want to tell me, say, look at time she gone in there, so she drop asleep?
Yes, we had what you said we you never yard.
She me didn't wait for she said she don't give me, can't even explain it to you.
Oh, and you sit down wait for where you can't explain. You idiot, and I no sense, me say you're a fool.
No, me love her, she love me.
You see love? You see love? Love is a joke. Don't believe in love, you're an idiot. Love turn people in a fool. And I think that love I turn you in a, you must be heartless. Be heartless.
Heartless like how?
Talk to them and have feelings with them and not spend no money. When you ask for money, you just say to him, say, left your card, you know, I don't have money right now. Check in here, when you check in here, they're walkie. You tell you give money and get nothing, you're fooling. You're such an idiot.
No, she's a good girl. She's an angel.
Angel where?
Yeah, she look good.
That an angel?
Yeah.
That you humpy dumpy there?
You know, see how she look?
That the rhino, pronounce the word for me. Rhinoceros, pronounce the word. The big sound.
The rhino them?
Yes. That the angel?
No.
That big something there?
No man, let me tell you something. You told me know your auntie. Your auntie was glistening.
Oh, glistening. Say glistening blind, you're turning an idiot. Every day you get up and spend money. Spend money. You think you want to give some money too? I'm going to get one, put on some weight and glisten. So you spend some money for me. I realize you're a fat woman you like.
With the auntie and then there with the niece.
No, you're not there with me. You have to spend the money because your life is spend money and in no sense. You have too much money, you know what to do with it. So, you have too much money.
You don't really have too much money. I work for it.
Well, work and spend the money for me.
Your auntie don't give you none?
No.
You don't buy nothing?
Nothing.
Not even one bun?
Not even one bun.
Anyway.
If I ever tell you who she give the money, you piss up. You drop the hand. You say you idiot. You say you idiot. You audio.
Take my money. Give who?
I joke. You say me prank you. Me prank you, man. Oh, if I hear you, no, can't no sense you too fool. Every day you talk about love. Love is a joke. No fall in love. Love for idiot. Love some people not idiot.
See?
You're the biggest, you know, if you love actually love her. You're the biggest idiot. You see, true, here's a definition of how love look. I don't want to be in love. One, I want to be at.
What definition of love?
Yo, look for you see definition of love. It's a blast idiot. You know what I'm saying?
Love idiot.
Yes. Because I get up every day and spend money and enjoy myself. Whenever I can come in the house, I piece of one house. Me here say I want upgrade house. You think now here where you want upgrade house? Upgrade house you not going now? And there's some people that pop on the bed. Huh?
Wait just a while.
Me say, me I call myself others people when they pop on the bed. Me I sleep in the bed and you not sleeping in the yard spend the money. You see, say you not no sense.
I understand.
Yeah, man, you're a fool.
Alright.
No sense at all. The biggest idiot ever see on God earth.
My business partner call me, so.
Yes.
Later.
Give me a business partner. Say a business partner. So I say a business partner fool like
She's
you.
a female.
Oh, I never want her. Sorry.
Hello.
You big need that. Get up every day and come up and spend money and get nothing. Never seen an idiot like you yet. Where you come from? Oh.
Babes!
Hello, you not see me? You not see me?
No, we there now.
Every single day you come here, come look for me, auntie. You not see me?
Me no with that. Me tell you spend little bit of money. Other day, 30,000.
That worry about that. My sister no want to get more money than that a year. That little Trump chairs money. That's not nothing. That's nothing but come over here with a strong body.
So make a deal, me so. No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Sit down.
Sister not go like that.
Me not busy, and my sister, my auntie, not busy what she like. And you miss me every day come out. Babes. How are you not see me?
Me see you.
You not see me?
Me see you. You're too vulgar, man.
Me not vulgar. If you talk low to the man them sit that the man them like, I true you not like it.
So you can't change up your attitude.
If you start paying more attention, me change my attitude. Set good, baby. You feel me now.
Oh, baby, feel. If your auntie ever see me, you have problem.
Don't worry about she and me and you know. She not there, so. You know, see how it makes some things better, young?
What?
Yes, I make some things better, you know. She not there, so. Yeah, worry about she not. Who not there, so? Who not there, so?
You see it, me tell him.
Who not there? Who you tell
me? I want her to ease up off for me.
But me not there, so. You love people, man, too much. Look for what? Watch me.
I'm tired of you. Every time that's you do.
Alright. You let me watch me on you. Watch me on you.
Yes, that's bad.
What me do?
Had his classes. I don't know.
Me sit down your son. She sit down your son. What me can't be your son?
You have him in your lap.
Me not have him in my lap.
Then when me come see him.
No, she comes down for
So
me.
why you allow that?
Me not allow me till I get up. You know, see me I push her up. The whole time I push her up to get up. Your auntie not go like this.
Me don't believe you. Me not believe you.
Me
You
know
don't lap. I rub down here. I do all type of something.
You see me I rub down here?
Me see.
You see them hand up?
Yes.
Me have lift him up off of me.
You see it? I same thing me tell you from the first day meet you. Uno can't be trusted.
Me want you trust me when me and I push off your knees off of me.
Me tired.
I she
Every
come
time
down
I
for
let
me.
you
You know.
do.
I she come down.
So you're right.
Yes.
So you're right. So when me see you over there, yeah. Anything where you are, woman, on ya. No walk one.
Yes, no man.
Why you woman? Me know you. Me know you. No, come here, cause here with me niece and they beat you up. Say you need to leave me yard. Me know you.
What? She that take your money. And
What you trying to
spend it
say
somewhere else.
You don't know me.
Who they receive all of the money.
I lie. I lie.
True.
Me come here, cause see. Look.
Are you woman this?
Look here now, me come here cause see she with man in my house where you are help me refurnish and he that me do and beat him up and I tell you something.
Where you trying to tell me say?
Where you be?
You
know you?
What mean you don't know me?
So that you plan to do set me up.
How these feel?
Sit up again, man.
Which one I beat him?
Me tell you too much.
After an hour.
Huh?
After an hour.
Me no know cause me no know nobody.
I don't know you, so me don't know where you come from.
Hello.
You there
All of
with
us
me
are there,
niece.
this one.
Maggots. Go where the dead meat is.
So me and
Please.
David so behave.
Me say
Oh,
go
yeah,
where
call
the
them
dead
meat.
meat there.
And me and David so.
Me say go where the dead meat there. Maggots.
You are gone.
Maggots.
Don't come side of me.
That dead man, you know. Yes.
Me don't do no, me don't be dead man take it off for
Me
me.
don't know him.
And that's every time
Me
you
not
want
know
somebody
him.
cookie.
Let me go. Me don't know
You see, I'm
him.
going to put my life in a jeopardy.
When me want somebody cookie.
Me don't know him.
Eh?
Me don't know him. Me don't know him. I swear me don't know him.
Legend.
How
You never know say you're a
I
woman.
do them that business. Handle it.
Me never know say you're a woman.
You're
Me never know say you're a woman.
He's a man.
Father,
You're
please.
John when
Me
you go
don't
there.
know him.
You're John when you go there.
Me John.
No,
Yeah.
he never go there.
I told me I did lifeguard one time, you know.
He never go there. He never go there. Listen now, please.
It's
please.
shallow.
Beg me.
Shallow.
Beg me now.
Yeah, beg him.
Please.
Beg me now.
Please.
Beg him.
Cock up your foot. Cock up your foot. Cock up your foot.
Please.
Cock up
Beg me. Beg me.
your foot. Cock up your foot.
Right there. Yeah, idiot. Where we can escape her?
No. Me with she first. You can't walk him any day upon the road. Me know if it's
You
like,
know.
you know.
Get up. Get up. Get up.
Yes.
You see how beg me please now? Where me card?
Tap on the side, yeah.
Where me card?
Me don't know.
Give me my card.
Me don't know where there.
Give me my card.
Me don't know where cat there.
I take a take for that.
Me not take a video that the last for me.
Eh? I take for that. How I spend pan that
Can
day.
give me. You see, it's a setting set me up.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. If you anti a harlot, what makes you?
Me don't know harlot.
I want you. Relax. Relax.
One more time. Me think
Show
you're
me
an
this
idiot,
sock, eh?
but you're sense, you know, soft again as a bad man. One more time. One more time. Me never see that one day. One more
No,
time.
me not beat one. I just two in one. Try to take it.
One more time when I stop waste time. Just imagine all of the money we go and work and work in a hot sun, you know. I ain't taking mine, man. One more time. One more time. Just imagine the money, all of the money, you know. When you go and work, what kind of work you do? You working at
I'm working at sun.
Yes.
Working at sun. One more.
again.
Please.
One more.
Please.
No.
Like he make a hurt.
Listen.
I'm jealous because this.
Agreed.
Me,
It's cost this.
me spend over $455,221. Me check every cent. And me only get
And the man got the
time.
Every time the man come and
no move. 2 times. Not even 2 full time, 1.5 time because when we go there first time you jump off, whoo, hot.
Why hot?
You get something? So we are jump off.
Oh, well, hold that.
So hold on.
Hold
No
that
worry
down there,
ahead.
make it
Come
touch
here.
me now.
You see that sun here? Yes, when I done with this, no man can't go there.
Why? Shut him again! Shut him again, he won't take no man from me.
Spencer.
Give it again.
Eh?
Give it one more again.
No, that good.
Yeah?
That good.
Yeah, man.
Can't go a doctor.
You know, money. That.
Money, I don't business right now.
Why? Every day of life, you get out. Why? Why? He shot me. Yes. Yes. Get up. Me never know what to do with you. You give me the man, learn to share the man. Then me tell you, say, your days them a come and you think say I lie you. If you just pass me and go on the legs, you know, see me, you know. You want to see me. You want to see me. You come. Oi, me have to move. Man, you're dead for me. Come. You come. Jesus. You're big bad. You hard to move you. God, no, you're big. Me have big bad, me can't move. Me have to go call him. Take time and ball. Ball loader. Cause you're too big. You see me tell you, God Jim. For the God Jim, me could have helped move you. Me can't move you, I'm sorry.